That thing's up 50 points above 93. Oh, baby, let's go. 2K. There he is. Darth trades 11,000, of course. Who would have thought Darth wasn't going to make 5 figures today following the Big Daddy? Here it comes. One more candle, baby. Oh! Wait a minute. You're up 6 grand on how many on micros?
Yeah.
Right now, you're up 6K on micros?
On one of my accounts I was, but yeah. 6K.
You're at the club with Moni. I'm talking 2 bottles of tequila.
2 bottles?
Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy Big Daddy Max. It's April 4th. It's 9:30 in the morning. It's Friday, baby, and we are here to crush it and have some fun. Big Daddy Llama is, whoa, there's a good look on the long. Big Daddy Llama is not going to be here today. He said he's sick, little boy. He has a diarrhea. I believe he had extreme diarrhea, Llama said. So we're going to trade 5 call Friday, and we're going to have some fun today. I'm looking for the long potential here. If we pop back above 93, I'm going to look for the long. Big Daddy Llama, really just explosive diarrhea, guys. So he's not going to make it today, unfortunately. So here we go. 5 call Friday. I am going to snag it, and holy shit, I'm took it. Whoa, what just happened there? Okay, that was a quick profit on 5 con Friday. Took it at 93 and it went up to 24. I took it. That was fast as fuck. The long looks good. I love the long right here at open. I'm loving the long for a wick high right there. Bang, bang. Holy moly. Let me get into another account, player. Let me get into another account real quick. Hold on. We're breaking structure and we're moving on that long above 93. That thing's up 50 points above 93. That thing's up 50 points above 93, and it's got room. It's got room. It's got a big old schlong on it. Here we go. Wait for a retracement. Come on back down to earth. Come on back down to earth. That was crazy. Wow. What a start to a Friday. Oh my God, Max hit a banger. Oh my God, Max hit such a fucking banger to start Friday. Let it go. Let it go. If a hoe wants a hoe, let it go. All right. Q showing some serious relative strength against SPX. We need to see SPX grow a pair of fucking balls here. We really need to see SPX suck up and grow a pair of balls. SPX is dumping down to the 60 range. It is looking like doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. 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 You guys know what that's from? Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. That was a beautiful little scalpy. Is a 3-bar down on NQ. I am just now sitting, or excuse me, on SPX. SPX looking like hot ass cheeks. I am going to be patient. This previous low, market low right here. We are going to be patient. Will arrive every night. Oh, you gotta do something about it. Honestly, if trading never works for me, I could definitely be a professional singer. I've been thinking about becoming a professional singer for a long time. So watch SPX here. SPX needs to show some life. This is a pretty big drop on SPX. We need to see some life from it. The short is just, right now we're downtrending hard. There's nothing that says the long is good anymore. $10 profit for Herb, and he's done. Love that. Love that. $10. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with $10 holla player. Moni will do some crazy shit for $10. Moni will get crazy about fucking $10. I bet Moni will fucking twerk for $10. I bet Moni will fucking shake them things for $10. Shit. Yep, the down is just looking down, guys. Just like I said 5 seconds ago, we are just going down. So until there's indication that we're not going down, you could short at basically any time. Until it's not, there's no candle yet today that says we're looking for a bounce or a reversal. It just straight up is like, we going down. We going down. So, yep, we got to be patient, wait for a wick and some candlestick structure here to pop. Like we can get above 40. If SPX can reclaim 50, like 2 to 3, I'll probably take a stab at it. I want to see SPX show some strength. We need to see SPX show some strength. It needs to get above 2 or 3 right there. So I'll enter a long right here. I'll enter right here and see if I can. Whoa, nice little pop up. Nice little pop up. I'm going to go to break even. Oh, hold on. Sell my cover calls. And I'm stopped. That was fast stop out. That was trash. Hold on. I'm looking to. That was trash. Hold on. I think I took slippage there. No. Oh, there it goes. Think I took a slippage loss there. Stop filled. Yep, $220 on slippage on a fucking break even. 5-con Friday is disgusting. 5-con Friday is disgusting. This is a potential 3-bar down. I mean, it is a 3-bar down. It's pretty perfect. Pretty perfect. SPX shitting the bed. All right. This looks like it's going to continue down. What is that noise? I got to sell some options here. There's nothing saying we're going up. Unfortunately, there ain't nothing saying we going up today, chat. We are hanging, clanging, and banging. I did not get. All right, it is time to switch to the pro accounts, baby. Past 2 evals. Congratulations, Burgundy 162 times 5. 2020 for Felix. Okay, Felix. SPX still just dumping. I mean, until we get confirmations otherwise, I've been saying it. The short looks good. The short looks good until we get the confirmation. I got wicked out ASAP on that motherfucking trade. Let me sell some options real quick. Because we getting hurt on these long-term shares. We're getting absolutely moped on these long-term shares here, chat. So we definitely want some juice back. I'm gonna rock these 440s, sell some 440 calls, $2,800 in premium. $2,800 in premium. Whoa, llama. The llama's here. He's at the airport. 11K on that drop. Yes, sir. Log off. Log off. Congratulations. Let's go. The drop looks good. The downtrend is still downtrending. I don't know how many times I have to say it, but we have no confirmations of going up at all right now. And you guys could just short until you could just short. Yeah, I mean, it's another 3-bar down right here. Dropped 10 points almost immediately. Yeah, you could just keep rocking that thing. SPX showing no sign of life. SPX and NQ, there it goes, showing no sign of life. Another drop. Beautiful. 5-con Friday, very volatile. NQ, SPX. NQ is fighting for some upside. SPX is not playing ball. SPX is not playing ball right here. NQ is fighting for some upside. There's a nice looking wick right there. There's a nice looking wick. If SPX gets 30, I'm going to take a long. There it goes. If SPX gets 30, I'm going to take the long right here. I'm going to see if we can get up and try and test 6. There it goes. I'm going to snag a little profit right here. Stop loss at break even. Don't wick me out. Stop loss is at 85. Don't you wick me out. Don't you do it. No. Oh, there it goes. Boom. Hold on. Partial profits right here. And I'm going to move stop loss all the way to 96. I'm out. Oh, I am out. Okay. 5-con Friday and this volatility is retarded. I am on the pro accounts. There's my pro account. You guys see I just took 1350 on that pro account right there. Very wiki, but I got in. Look, real quick, real nice little retracement. That could be a peak. Waited for SPX to attack a target zone. Honestly, I'm very happy how I played that. Stop loss. Guys, size the fuck down. I'm an idiot. I'm a degenerate for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. I am doing 5 contracts right now. That is dumb. And here's a dump back down, a continuation down. I see you, Sean. I'm not ignoring you, dumbass. I just don't speak Korean, Sean. I don't fucking speak Korean. Actually, Sean, come up on stage. Get your shy ass up on stage, Sean. We're back in the shorts. I mean, I'm not in a short, but the short looks good. I meant there's no confirmation of a long. The short looks good. The fact that we were able to survive that fucking thing was amazing. We are absolutely sniping right now. It is very hard. I mean, I would recommend you guys don't even trade. Don't even fucking trade it if you can't keep up, or if you're not super scalping and moving your stop losses to break even like ASAP. I had a stop loss on break even and we still got $220 in fucking slippage. $220 on a break even trade is insane. on slippage. So 2 for 2 right now, or excuse me, 2 for 3. I got wicked out. Yeah, 2 for 3. I got wicked out and had $220 on slippage. Is insane. I'm on my third account now. I'm on my third account and I am rocking. We will see. We got the orb. Orb is in 4 minutes. SPX is creating a massive orb. I mean, this is going to be an untradeable fucking orb. It is very large. This orb is very, very, what is that? 70 points? Wow. Insane. Insane. So we're going to be patient now. Going to be patient. Oh, what's wrong, Sean? You didn't want to come up? Where's Sean? You didn't want to come up and trade? Sean, dumbass. You're an idiot. Get real. We're sniping points over here. I'm a point sniper. SPX and NQ just dumping. As I said, you guys, you could just be in the short. You could just be in the short until there's a confirmations of a reversal. I've said it 10 times. I scalp 2 quick retracements because I'm a reversal kind of trader. But who here's just been holding a short? I mean, I said it 6 fucking times. Who's just been holding the short? The short looks good until. Potential 3-bar to the upside here if it wants to go, or this drop is just a continuation down and it looks good. And this drop looks good. Watch for a newer low and you can get back in on those shorts. You can get back in on those shorts for that newer low. Unless this thing goes up, 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 you get back in on those shorts. Here's a 3-bar potential looking to the upside. Potential looking. Watch for a wick low. Let's see if it gets there. Go a little height on that one. There it is. There's a nice pop. That's a nice poppy. Gonna take that 3-bar. Take that 3-bar. Gonna want to see it continue its rise. See what the next candle can give here in a couple seconds. And then, whoa, that looks freaking cool. That looks cool. 5 call Friday. That one's moving. There's a nice little pop. Gonna take the long right there on that 3-bar was beautiful. See if it gets a little bit more juicy on it. Up another 400 on that. Up 400 on that bad boy. We like that. We like that one. There it goes. Hold on. Get up on over there. You can do it. Get your ass up there. It needs to reclaim that 100. That's where it's fighting the 100 mark right there. It keeps retracing right off that 100. Needs to pop on through. Needs to pop on through that 100 to be a really banger trade. SPX looking shit like it takes that 30. So I should YOLO the long here. Oh no! What happened? What was that? I was just about to YOLO the long there. Let's see if it can get above that 100. There it goes. Bang, bang, bang. That's what you're looking for. I'm taking profit. I'm taking profit on this one. I'm taking some profit here. That 100 pop. I'm getting ready to enter another long. I'm getting ready to enter another long. Oh, baby. Let's go. 2K. 2K on the long. On the second pro account. 2,000 right here, and it's still looking good. Let it rip. Let it rip, 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 let it rip. There it goes. Oh, there it goes, baby. Huge on the 3-bar. We're up 100 points. 100 points on the 3-bar long here. Let's fucking go. Look at it go. 100 points on the 3-bar long, baby. Let it ride. I let it ride. I let it ride. I took full profit. I took full profit. I'm logging off my pros. I'm logging off my motherfucking pros. That was a beast of a long. That was a beast of a long. I'm logging off my pros. We are up. Hold on. We are up 1350, 3,000 on the pros and on one. Oh, look at the long here. Look at the long taking another. We got another. Oh, wait. We got another 3,650 on the eval. Another 3,650 on the eval right there. Right here. If it breaks, hey, we're up 100 points. But if it breaks the 60 zone, I'm going long again. I'm going long again. If it breaks the 60 zone, I'm going long again. Future strategy number 2. I went 5 cones, bitch. It's 5 cone Friday. I'm a fucking degenerate. Trading my pro accounts and this kind of volatility on 5 cone Friday. I'm a fucking degenerate. Oh. Everything's got a lower high or higher low, so this long is still good. This long is still good until we see a higher low taken out. Here we go, testing that 60 zone, just like I said. Let's see if it gets above that 60 zone. Hold on, wait for a higher low. You could take profit here. You could take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit. Ooh. Ooh. Darth, did you catch that long, Darth? Did somebody see the 3Z with future strategy 2? This trading shit is too fucking easy. Congratulations, Jay Tito, 3,200. 3,200. There he is. Darth trades 11,000. Of course. Who would have thought? Who would have thought Darth wasn't going to make 5 figures today following the Big Daddy? Who the fuck thought? Unreal. Get real. Guys, get real. He's Skyka coming out strong. My N-word. Life-changing. Congratulations, Darth. Your life is pretty good, my friend. Man, Mad Nick, Futures 1 Mad Nick caught that. Look at that. Look at Futures strategy number 2 there. Mad Nick and Futures 1. Look at the recap, guys. Look at the recap because oh my God, was that picture perfect for one of my strategies? Was that picture fucking perfect? Yo, Big Daddy Max, when's the next mastermind gonna happen? Who wants to let him know? Guys, who wants to let him know the truth? This retracement back up looks good. We might test that 60 zone. Hold on, I think I might YOLO a motherfucking account right now. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see what I might have to do here. Let me see what I got going on. We got this 150. We got a 150. Do something for me. 3421. Who wants to see Big Daddy YOLO an account? $10,000 on the Pay Apex. Apex accounts, 10K for Tiger Wood. Tiger Wood with 10,000 on the pay on the funded Apex. Sheesh. On the Apex account. Speaking of Apex, I had a very good conversation with someone from Apex yesterday. We had a very good conversation. Tiger Wood posting his profits in J Dunn Discord. He's in both Discords. That's cool. What's wrong with that? You could post him wherever the fuck you want. Ain't no one worried about that. I don't give a fuck if you join 100 Discords, player. Zen Trader, you out here snitching, dog? Hold on, you out here snitching? Chat, how we feel about snitches up in that max options trading? We got someone snitching. Here goes the 60. Here goes that 60 range getting tested yet again. We don't fuck with snitches up in here, cuz. Let me log off. Let me make sure I don't fuck up my pros. Uh-oh. Y'all see what we got here? Uh-oh. We got a fresh 150. We're gonna go in. Oh, the break of that 60 zone right there. Beautiful fucking. Oh, this is picture perfect. This is the definition of how the max way is. This is the definition of what the fucking max way is right here in front of your stupid faces, in front of your just stupid ass faces. Seriously. Tiger, ain't no one stressed, bro. We're cool. J Dun's my motherfucking boy. J Dunn is my boy. I don't give a fuck whose Discord you guys are in. I don't give a fuck whose Discord you in. This shit is for free. But the one thing I do know is, even though it's free, nothing we do here is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. Everything we do is for entertainment purposes only. And we are here to film the show, the Big Daddy Morning Show. And so now that we film the Big Daddy Morning Show, you can enjoy all the things in the free Discord, like the free alerts, free community, free fucking everything, free trading bots, news, gamma, watch list, economic data. You could tip the staff. Hold on, let's watch this zone because I'm about to YOLO an account, motherfucker. I'm about to YOLO a motherfucking account. I'm about to YOLO an account, chat. You think I care? What should I YOLO? Long? Strat number 4, guys. Strat number 4. Whatever max YOLOs, you go the other way. All right, strat number 4. I can only make 4,500 on this trade. I'm gonna start with 3 contracts. I'm gonna YOLO, baby. I'm gonna fucking YOLO an account, guys. Seriously, I don't care. Based on the fair value penis and the turtle penis here, we have the turtle penis formation. This is where big buyers, you may have heard of it, it's called an order block, are sitting right between the turtle's thighs. Right between the turtle's hind legs is a giant turtle penis, and we are going to wait for that to erect, and once that erects, we're going to take the Caucasian sweep for a long. We're going to take a Caucasian sweep for a long as soon as that erects. So That's it. This is between the turtle's legs is definitely an area of interest for me. There's definitely an area of interest right in between the turtle's legs. We're gonna go for that. So SPX looking shit like it takes that 30. And Q showing some exact wiki here. 3 cons for 4,500. I mean, 1 con for 1,250 is like 60 points. So I should YOLO the long here. Oh no! What happened? What was that? What the fuck was that? I was just about to YOLO the long there. No! I'm still YOLOing the long. Here we go. I'm in. I don't give a fuck. I'm in the long for a YOLO. I'm down 400. I'm in the long for a YOLO. I'm down 1,200. I'm in the YOLO long here. I am in the YOLO long here. I am. Okay, here we go. We're at break even. We're up 400 on the YOLO long. For 3 contracts, how much is 4,500 for 3 contracts? How much? Whoa, I'm up 1,600 on the long. YOLO long is up 1,600, 1,900, 2,100. Okay, we only need about 30 more points. We only need about 30. Whoa, 2,500. We getting them ticks. Oh, shit. We getting them ticks. We just got to get all the way up to 25, which is right about here, or 24, 25. This is very possible. Right in the next candle. Right in the next candle here. We're up 3,200. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, player. Let's see if we can get a sell right there at the 23. Here we go. We're like 1 candle away. Sheesh. We're like 1 candle away. Here we go. 36. Oh, my God. 38. 4,000. Come on, baby. Get your sweet ass up there, boy. Get your sweet ass up there, boy. Here comes. Here comes. We are so close. Oh, it retraced a little bit. I'm up 3,200 on the YOLO long. I'm up 3,200 on the YOLO long. Here it comes. 1 more candle, baby. Boom! Boom! Oh, YOLO long! Oh, it's magic, you know. Couldn't believe it's not so. It's magic, you know. Couldn't believe it's not so. Shh, get real. Y'all thought I wasn't gonna hit that banger? Get real. Y'all. Strat 4 never fails. I think, what's my record, chat? What's my record in YOLOs right now? Was down 752, now I'm up 638. Maz, log off. Log off. If you were just red, and now you're up $600 fucking dollars, player, log off. Log off. Log off. Guys, I am 4 for 5 today. I am 4 for 5 today. And I had one little wick out, and I hit the other 4 to include the YOLO. 4 for 5, and I hit the YOLO. You can listen, if you guys are literally inversing me on a YOLO trade, you're retarded. I'm sorry to say this, but you're actually retarded. If you're like, I'm gonna YOLO my account in the opposite direction of Max just because, that's kind of, what's the word I'm looking for here? What's the word I'm looking for? I'm looking for a word. I'm looking for a word here. If I'm gonna, what word fits here? If you're YOLOing an account just on the, because I decided to YOLO it, what kind of word is that? Dumbass, jackass, gay, degenerate. It's Biden. Oh, it's kind of Biden. That's pretty good. You're acting real Biden right now. Did we get some profit roll call today? On 279, 1,100. We got 1,075, 775, 9,000 from Joe IV, plus another 36 on top. 450, 1225, 700 going twice, 700 going twice, 1,000. Fucking Biden. Slow, unprofitable, fucktard shitbag, stupid. Oh, someone said Moni. Someone said you're acting like a real Moni. That fits well. That fits well, because we all know Moni is retarded. Oh, it's magic, you know. Couldn't believe it's not. Hold on, let me see in the grouping. Let me see if I can get a sweet screenshot for you nerds. Let me see if I can get a sweet screenshot for you nerds. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Shiny Butt says, I love to get to know Max, but he seems to roast the people he likes. Let me see. This guy's pronouns are, let me she them titties. Shiny Butts' pronouns are, let me she them titties. That is the funniest. Shiny Butts. Let's get him up here. You want to get to know me? Fucking gay. Let's get Shiny Butts up here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Shiny Butts. Let's respect their pronouns. Shiny Butts, our Futures 1 student. Let me she them titties. Let's get them up here. Shiny Butts, welcome to the show. Camera's on, or you got to go.
What up?
What's going on? How are you?
Futures 1 is paying big time. That's all I got
You
to
fuck
say.
with Futures 1?
Yeah, just started yesterday. Hold on, don't want to
Just started yesterday. Listen, that's probably the greatest collective of 5-day of education and futures I've ever fucking done in my life. Did you see are you a trader for a long time?
No, probably like 6 months.
Oh, are you aware of the names of the guest speakers that I had in there?
No, not yet.
Don't read
I
them
don't
out
think I got
loud.
that far yet.
Everyone in the chat is saying something about your headphones. What's wrong with this headphones? They look very wide. They look very fine. Where are you from? You look like you're maybe let me guess. Hold on. Your ethnicity. Can I guess your ethnicity? Don't take offense to this because there's about a 97% chance I get it wrong, seriously. But if I had to guess your ethnicity, I want to lean towards Korean. I'm going to say South Korean. Just because South Koreans wear cutoff shirts, they think they're muscular. He could be Chinese. I'm gonna go with your half South Korean, half Japanese.
Ooh, I mean, I think we all kind of look alike, so.
What's the correct answer, dumbass? You gonna give it to me or not?
I always say North Korea is best Korea, but yeah, Korean.
You're South Korean or you're North Korean?
South Korean.
South Korean. I knew it. The cutoff shirt gave it away. I knew it. I fucking knew it. I don't want to stereotype for sure, but I saw the cutoff shirt and I knew automatically. Guy thinks he's got muscles. Let me see it. Let me see a little flex real quick.
I might name this guy Max.
Whoa!
This is Max.
Whoa! That thing's flatter than my dick after 2 bottles of whiskey, son. You better get it up. Where are you from now, Shiny Butts? Where you live?
I'm in Virginia.
Virginia.
Yep.
Okay. What do you do out there? You look kind of young. You're in your, what are you, 25?
33.
33. Wow, that Asian DNA, boy. That Asian DNA is fucking awesome. Seriously.
Yeah,
they
like
say, have you ever heard the phrase that black don't crack?
Correct.
Well, I mean, Asians really don't crack. You cannot tell an Asian's age. One time I went to an Asian massage parlor in Amsterdam, and I was going to get a back massage at this Asian parlor, and the lady was very kind to me. She was very nice this one time, and then she offered me something very nasty, and I didn't accept it. Seriously, I went for a back massage, but I wound up finishing in about 9 minutes. I paid for a whole hour, but for some reason they kicked me out of the room in 9 minutes. It was very strange. They didn't give me a refund or nothing. And then after I finished after 9 minutes, the craziest thing happened. I asked how old she was, because she was a pretty attractive Asian. I was single back then, by the way, guys. Single, military max. And I asked how old she was because I thought she was like 33, 35. She was 64. So I felt very confused and conflicted about everything I've done in my life at that point because I was basically sexually assaulted by a 64-year-old. How does that make you feel? I see you are you trying to hold in a laugh right now?
I mean, do you regret it? Not going for it?
I regret not doing more, player. I wish she was 74.
Yeah, they have some techniques with the wrists.
I know that's right. Hey, she hit me with the fucking the Ruto special, baby. She gave it to me good. Shiny Butts, I love your pronouns. Can you kind of explain to me where you got the pronouns? Let me she them titties.
I definitely stole it from somewhere. I just don't know where. I don't remember.
The honesty is fantastic. It's awesome. How long have you been watching the Big Daddy Morning Show?
About 2 weeks now.
2 weeks. All right, nice. And how you feel with everything?
Honestly, I saw a couple of shorts. Tried it in my trading. It worked, but then I was kind of not really understanding what you're going through during the morning show, and so I thought, let me just buy the course and see what it's about. And it's kind of clicking. I made 2,700 after hours.
Wait a minute. You bought my course yesterday, watched a little bit of it, and then you made $2,700 after hours?
Yeah, across 3 accounts, using Mostly 2, since it was, after hours. But
2 is this morning. Did you see me crush 2? Did you watch it? Now you're like, holy
correct.
fuck.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of the course, is that we are able to now see things together. I don't have to show my screen because all my students are looking. When I say get ready, they're like, oh fuck, I see it. 2 is fire. 2 is awesome. So as a North Korean, yeah, you could probably read a book in an hour, can't you? You could probably read very fast. Wait, do you think you could read or type faster?
Definitely type faster for
You
sure.
could type faster. You think how many words a minute do you think you could type?
Oof. I don't know. I haven't maybe speaking it in a long time. Oh, by the
Do you
way, your shout out to the Titans, Javon Curse. That was dope. I'm a big Titans fan, so when you had that guy
Okay, little
up
callback
on
to
your
the
channel,
Titans.
yeah,
Jay
that
Kirk.
was dope.
I know my Titans history because I was my brother was a huge Titans fan when they first became from the Houston Oilers to the Tennessee Titans.
Yep.
Javon Curse was an absolute monster in the league. I'm a little bit older, so absolute monster in the league. But that was
I think
great.
that's what sold
That
me,
was
to be
really.
honest.
Yeah, Big Daddy
That's
Max absolutely crushed it this morning with Feuds number 2 and a 3-bar breakout. Now, let me ask you this: when all these future strategies start clicking and making sense, what about the psychology piece of the? Have you gotten there yet? Have you done some of the
That
best
was
lessons?
actually the biggest thing last night. Just letting it ride and adding to my position after seeing the 3-bar.
You scaled in.
Yeah,
Let's
that
go.
was awesome. So that was, I think, the biggest payoff was the mental side of it.
Hell
Because
yeah.
I'm pretty used to seeing plays run without me, just because I got scared or I put my stop too close into profit. So
Right.
yeah, that was the biggest thing for sure.
Good shit, man. Congratulations. And how'd your trading go this morning?
Didn't do a lot. I'm working. So I'm in IT, so I'm just working, but I'm trying to not work
You're
anymore.
in
So
IT?
I am.
Wow, IT, that's kind of a rising trend there. I would have thought, if I had to guess, you were either a doctor or
I mean, IT is pretty Asian.
is IT pretty Asian?
I would say so. There's a lot of us out there.
I would either say there's really 2 things if you're South Korean. Now correct me if I'm wrong. You come from like a traditional South Korean family?
Oh yeah.
So you
Hey,
either
Asian, not Bijan. Okay.
you're real Asian. You're real
Yeah.
Asian. Yeah. So you're either you should have been a doctor. You could have worked at your family's you could have worked at your family's all you can eat Korean barbecue restaurant,
I thought you were gonna
or
say dry cleaners.
I was gonna say the dry cleaner.
Yeah.
Or you could have just been a failure in your father's eyes, really. If it's not doctor, dry cleaner, I mean, you're probably IT. Is your family upset with you that you went the IT route?
Oh, major dishonor for sure.
Major dishonor.
Yeah, because they own a couple of dry cleaners as well.
No shot. No
Yeah.
shot.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Your family owns dry cleaner?
Yeah, if anyone's in the Yorktown, Hampton Roads area in Virginia, hit up Yorktown
Shout it
Cleanup.
out. Shout it out. Yorktown, Virginia. What's the name of your parents' dry cleaners? Giuseppe, hold on. Giuseppe, keep your fat ass in your fucking own town today. We don't fucking drive. Giuseppe's going to drive his fat ass all the way to fucking Yorktown now and go get his clothes pressed. Giuseppe, don't do it. There he is. Giuseppe, stay where the fuck you are. This guy drove an hour and a half to go buy a cheesesteak. It was unbelievable. So,
Oh wow.
shout, where's your parents' dry cleaner?
It's Yorktown Cleaners, 2 for $5, 3 for $5. Yorktown Cleaners in Yorktown, Virginia.
There's my total profits on the day right there. I think I broke 10K today, chat. I think I broke $10,000 today. No, yeah, you kind of, the way you just said that, I'm going to be honest with you, it didn't sound authentic to me. So like if you were shooting a commercial, like your parents were shooting a commercial for the dry cleaner, let's talk here. Like what would it really sound like? Like a commercial. If you're shooting a live commercial, remember this is get filmed right now in front of 1,000 people, and then I'm going to put it on YouTube, which is going to hit 100,000 views in the future. So if you had to promote and shoot a real Asian dry cleaner commercial right now, what would you do?
Come to Yorktown Cleaner, 2 for $5. And your mother so fat that when she jumped for joy, she got stuck. I know that's like a Mandarin accent,
Yeah, that was
not
like
Korean at all.
that was not Korean. That was very, very I felt
But we're
very
all the
Thai
same.
or yeah,
We're all the same.
I felt very Thai. I thought Korean was more like you come into my dry cleaner.
Oh, that's Japanese.
Oh,
Don't
that's
go there.
Japanese. Okay,
Don't go there. We don't talk
Okay,
about the Jap.
sorry. Okay, so what's Korean? Hold on. You gave us that was very Thai of you, wasn't it? That was very like Thai
Yeah, a little
Peninsula.
sing-songy. Yeah.
Yeah, that was fucking.
It's just the most fun.
Right, we're looking more. We're looking for that real Korean shit. Come on, give it to me. Come on, give it to me. What do we got?
We do a white shirt, maybe a brown shirt too. And if you like dry cleaner, maybe you leave us review and we give you a little tuggy tug. That
You're
went a little
talking.
Italian. That went a little Italian
That
at
was
the end. I'm
yeah. You
sorry.
went. What? Hold on. Do you not know how to do a Korean? You went very Italian there. What the fuck?
Yeah. Well, I'm married to a Mexican, so I'm all over the place.
Oh, you're married to a Mexican. Wow.
That's correct. Yeah.
But have you ever heard of what are they called? Mexicanos? There's
Mexicanese.
like Mexicanese. Yeah, there's a lot of Mexicans that look very Asian. I know a couple of them. It's very what do they call them? It's Mexicanese?
Filipinos.
Mexica Asian? They call them Filipinos? Where's Sean? Where's Sean at? You are dishonored of family. I did not mean to say it like that. I apologize. I did not.
Hey,
I don't
actually,
know why
I gotta
said
go.
it like
I got
that.
a Teams meeting coming, but I
Oh, do
appreciate it.
you? Well, Shiny Butts, you were a fucking awesome, my guy. You
Thank
were a
you.
badass. Shiny, I want to throw you a free 50K TPT for being a fucking star.
Let's
Welcome. You want to
freaking
be my
go.
friend? You want to be my friend, gay boy? Well, now you're my fucking friend.
Oh
So I hope
God.
you're happy. Shiny Butts, enjoy your Teams meeting. Happy Friday. Happy weekend. Thank you for joining Futures One. The best decision you ever fucking made. I know it's going to pay off big time. 2,700 in the first day. Congratulations.
Sure.
When I see you again, I better hear a fucking Korean commercial. Seriously.
I'll work
You
on
are
it.
the man. Ladies and gentlemen, Shiny Butts, aka Let Me She Them Titties. Congratulations, Shiny Butts. Wow, that was great. That was wonderful. That was interesting. I did not expect that to go so Asian so fast. Where's Sean? We have an awkward South Korean, and he didn't even get up on stage. Seriously, ridiculous. All right, what are we doing? I'm lost now. I'm lost, guys. I'm lost in the sauce. The short is still shorting. Wow, we're down 700 points. Holy shit, going broke. My 500,000 turned into fucking my 500,000 turned into 440. Mary with a banger trade. Congratulations, Mary. Let's see some profit. Did we get some profit roll call today? We got 2,900 from Derek. Congratulations, Derek. Let's get past a Tradeify account. Let's go. Let's get some freaking roll call going. 279, 1,100. We got 1,075, 775. We got 9,000 from Joe IV, plus another 36 on top. 128. Congratulations, Danger Zone. 450, 1225, 700 going twice, 700 going twice, 1,000. We got Mary, little Mary, sweet little Mary at a 300 going once, twice. We got 305 times 5, King Nasty Boy. We got 1,100, we got 400, we got 545, we got 545, we got 502, 834, we got 12,500, we got 275 times 5, and then a 1,650 on top. We got 365, price actions down 695, 638, 541, 280, 920, 2,500, up 4,783, 18K from Gemma. Just signed up for the mastermind course. Just signed up for the mastermind. You're gonna be profitable in no time. 10,300 for our boy Darth, of course. 600, 1,900, 600, 224. I can't. 150 times 100 from Esh. I can't keep up, guys. The profit roll call is always going to be epic at max options trading. What's my total profit? Let me count it up for you. 1,375. Let me get my calculator out. My brain hurts. 1,375 plus 2,160 plus 3,675 plus 4,260, 11,470 for Big Daddy Max. 11,470 for Big Daddy Max. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right. We fucking killed it. That was a fun interview. If you wanted to be one of my students, which course do you recommend? So Futures One has everything that me and Llama's mastermind put together with a guest list that is unreal. with live trading and more. Mastermind is just me, all of my futures classes, 11 live trading sessions, and a couple guest classes that are very good as well. So if you want to just learn the max way, you could just take the Mastermind. But if you want to learn fucking everything, that's Futures One. But they're both great. They're both great. There's students that love both, and I don't care if you guys buy it or not. To be honest, if you want to invest in your education, invest in your education. If you don't, I don't give a shit. It's up to you if you want to keep losing or not. It's up to you if you want to keep losing or not. Does the courses work for options trading? It could, but I wouldn't really recommend it. No, Bunny, you're right, Bunny. You're right, Bunny. Bought futures course last week. Third day profitable. Ace 1 buckets. Third day profitable. Let's go. Literally just made another 3K. Guy's an animal. Guy's a fucking animal. You guys are killing the game. You guys are killing the game. What's my best 3-bar tip? My best 3-bar tip would be don't drink too much. If you're going to 3 bars, I would say pace yourself. Pace yourself is probably the best 3-bar tip I could tell you. Seriously, because if you're going to 3, I mean, you might drink 2 or 3 at each. Next thing you know, you're at 6 to 9, and you're dancing with someone who's very questionable on the dance floor. You don't know what could happen on the dance floor. Seriously, so I would definitely just pace myself. I would say pace myself 3-bar because, I mean, when did 1 bar not become enough? You got to go to 3 of them. That's kind of wild. So, I mean, good luck. Good luck. Good luck with you, seriously. Where's that Asian kid at? Hey, someone make sure that Asian guy takes opens a support ticket. Opens a support ticket. You know what we could do? We could do a quick announcement right now. Moderators. Javi, where's Javi? Javi.
Yo.
What's up?
There we go. We go. Got it.
Where are you? At least you could figure it out this time. Seriously.
Yeah,
at least
I know.
Figure it out. I'm very happy that you're figuring it out. So.
Oh yeah, I feel like an old timer on these computer thingamabobbers.
How did you trade today?
Great. I'm still having fun doing it. I mean, we got an SPX signal right now.
You're in an SPX what? Long?
I already caught the pop up, but it looks like it's gonna retest this area that I have, and then maybe hopefully continue. But it's also got orb, so there's a bunch of things playing right now that makes me not re-enter it at the moment. But I already caught my, I think I got 30-40 points on that because the volatility, it's like crazy how it's moving right now.
And back testing, you're killing it. So Javi, what's the total gains at?
Man, I don't even know. Are you getting yesterday?
Well, I think Darth might have you now.
Well, yeah, but Darth like YOLO's what, 10 minis? I'm doing max 10 micros. And I'm doing 4,000 or 5,000. Yeah, like I did 6,000 today so far with pure micros. I have like that 4,000 win on one.
Darth literally waits for me to open my mouth, and as soon as I say I'm gonna go long or I'm looking to go long, Darth just enters the long.
Yeah.
With full fucking port, and he goes ham, and he just goes ham. But you know what? No risk, no Rari. And no risk, no Rari.
True.
And guess what?
That's true.
Darth can fucking go buy whatever he wants now because he put his ball sack on the line and he's profitable as fuck.
Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna give that to him for sure. But for me, because I do this full time, I gotta protect my accounts. Like I can't YOLO.
I know
for big paychecks. I gotta. Well,
Darth,
I gotta treat them like my babies.
Wait a minute, you're up $6,000 on how many on micros?
Yeah, I only trade micros.
Right now.
I don't touch.
Right now, you're up $6K on micros.
On one of my accounts, I was, but yeah, 6K.
Not
6K. No. One of my accounts was four something in combination because I trade accounts just like you. I trade them separately. So on one account, I'm up 40 something.
The greatest what do you think the greatest contribution is to that success?
Your mastermind. I mean, I wouldn't have been able to develop this thing like I have without your mastermind. Never.
Bobby, you're gonna make me blush. Stop it. Bobby, you're gonna make me blush. Stop it.
It's the truth.
What do you think? I appreciate you. What else are you doing? Because you're just doing this on your own now.
Yeah. So it's
full-time
just
trading.
Full-time trading.
You know what I think it was, Javi?
What do you think it was?
I think it's, if you check the announcements channel, and right here, I think it's the release of Javi's indicator that he fucking gatekeeps from everyone. They finally released it. These are not free products, everyone. These are not free products, unfortunately. I tried to get them as free as possible, but Javi did agree to give them away for free. But what we got here is the advanced orb indicator, Javi. And we got the Javi fucking special, the quantum shift. We got the Javi quantum shift, and we got the orb indicator. So right there on the screen, you're looking at Javi's quantum shift. Now, my bread and butter, put that orb indicator on for me with SPX. Put that SPX orb indicator on for me real quick. And so we can show you guys. Oh, Futures One students and Mastermind students. Logan, pin the thing what I sent you last night. Put it in the Mastermind and Futures One right now before they fuck around. Let's check out that orb right there. Beautiful orb indicator. What's it say right there at the bottom? What's that say at the bottom? Oh, does that say 3-bar? Is that a 3-bar confirmation entry with a break of orb? You think that's going to lead to profitability? I wonder. Yes, you can get the Mastermind and upgrade to Futures One at any time. Yes, we have the orb indicator. It is awesome. Actually, you know what? Production, give me the display of your strategy and profitability, and it's fucking great. It's great. So we appreciate you guys. It is in the announcements, and if you guys want it, if you Javi wanted it, share it with the team. And remember what we said. Congratulations to Javi, his business partner Owen, Logan, and the team for officially getting their fucking trading sauce out into the world. And there's that continuation down right there, down about 15 points. Down about 15 points and going, Javi. Look at it. Hold on.
Yeah, look at that shit go.
Hold on. Look at it go. Wonderful. Yeah. So amazing job, Big Daddy Javi. And congratulations again, guys. If you have any questions about the indicators, any questions at all, open up a support ticket, and our moderators, the owners, will be glad to help you guys with the MOT Quantum Shift and the MOT Advanced Orb. Congratulations to Javi and all of the team.
Thank you, guys.
100-point signal. My brother, there's Ball Dan. Ball Dan's here. No one fucking cares. Max, shout out to Lily. She's impressed by my Discord. Lily is my niece. She suffers from a terrible disease. Guys, seriously, my niece, she suffers from a terrible disease. My niece Lily, she is kind of retarded. She's kind of retarded. So, God bless her. What'd you guys think? I had something real to say. What'd you think? I had something real to say. They're all like, God bless, crying. Oh yeah. Your ass. I got all your, bro. How many times are you dumbasses gonna let me get you? I get you guys every fucking day. No one is safe. No one. I can flip it on a switch faster than everybody. I flip it up. I know Lily loved that one. I know Lil fucking was dying laughing when I said that. Oh shit, that's a sexy Max. Man, I got you so bad. I killed it. She is awesome. He got my account on April Fool's. I got you guys on April Fool's Day. I got you guys today. Not for real. He got me over here like, yeah. I take care of patients with autism, Max. God bless her. That's wonderful. My wife is one of the best BCBAs in the world who takes care of children with autism in her clinic. And we're big in the charity and the donating for the autism community. We're huge in that. Obviously, everyone knows that. I don't ever insult anybody with learning disabilities or anything. It's the normal people that I call retarded. So I hope we clear the air with that. Yeah, my niece, she definitely... Let me see. My niece, she is in college, I think. Ball Dan, what's she fucking doing now? She's got a girlfriend. I know she's got a little girlfriend that she's running around with, being fucking probably doing illegal things because she's 20 years old. She is a liberal. Yep, she's definitely liberal. 100%. 2 jobs. She's got 2 jobs and straight A's in 4 college classes. Okay, she's definitely doing illegal things. Right. She's definitely doing illegal things. Okay, straight A's takes away from being liberal as much. Straight A's is pretty cool. You know, it doesn't matter if you're a libtard or not. I mean, you're getting straight A's as long as she get. What's her major in? Hold on. Is she majoring in gender studies? What is she majoring in? Is she majoring in the art of cultural awareness? Accounting, but maybe double major with finance. Oh no, she's a badass. Oh, never mind, she's a badass. 4 straight A's in accounting, double major with finance. Never mind, she's valid. W's in the chat for my niece. Seriously, 4 straight A's, 2 fucking jobs, finance and accounting, double major. Her dad is Ball Dan. I mean, gotta put up with that. That's tough. Walking into public with Ball Dan must be very hard on her. Yeah, L's in the chat for Bald Dan. Let's never forget that he respects OSHA. He respects OSHA. He said OSHA was fucking the best. OSHA's the best, providing safety for everyone. Dan's a narc. You're right. Bald Dan's a narc. We don't like him. They flipped on him. They flipped on him. Yep. So I mean, that's all good. It's all good, but it's not right. It's not right. It ain't right, Dan. It ain't right, Dan. Seriously. Wow. 679 degenerates left here. 679 degenerates here. What should we do next, chat? Seriously, what should we do next? Llama's gone. It's tough. It's tough when you have a 700-pound whale on the show with you as a co-host. We have a co-host. He takes up the whole stage, and his stage presence is very large. He's on the airplane right now. They actually asked him to sit in the back of the plane for weight distribution. He texted me that. He told me that. He said that there is a weight distribution problem on the plane in Europe because Europe has a lot smaller planes. So they asked him to sit in the back of the plane. And then they also had to lock the snack coolers when they put him back there. I would imagine they had to lock all the snack coolers in the back when they put him back there. Seriously. So but hopefully he's having a great flight and a time in Europe. He did try. There we go. He's taken off from his brother's landing strip and he's landing on Bald Dan's head. He's landing on production. Can we pull that up? Can we pull that screen up, please? That's Llama's gay brother. I can't remember his name. It was probably Jesus. But that's his gay brother. And he had taken off. The plane flew off from his landing strip and landing on Bald Dan's head is that's a far flight. That's a far flight right now. You gotta go pretty far for that. So wonderful job. Bald Dan says, I hope you all get a building collapsed on you. I am the building, bitch. This long is starting to look pretty good here. Seriously, at that break of 900 looked pretty good. I mean, you could probably hold it till bottom low at 75 if you guys are risking 25 points here. That 900 reclaim is solid. If SPX looks good, yeah, it might want to go up a little bit before another dump. Who knows? Get real. Yeah, Bald Dan has a plane on his head. Very good, very interesting. I bet Moni's sad Llama's not here. She messes with Moni or Llama more than anyone. She messes with the Llama more than anyone. A little sad, right? Like, even though you disrespect Llama every day, there is a giant gap missing in the show. A giant astronomical gap missing in the show. It's tough. It's tough to be up here. We love the Llama, right? So let's get someone else up here. Let's see who we can get up here. I gotta tell you, I was gonna have. Where's he at? He's being a little bitch. He's being a little bitch. I was in a meeting with the Apex affiliate manager yesterday, and he fucking ghosted me. He was supposed to be here today. Yeah. So the affiliate manager, Mike, was supposed to be here from Apex today, but he fucking ghosted me. Seriously, he fucking ghosted me. So he's gay. He's as gay as they come. He was talking a lot of shit when we were talking shit yesterday, and now he's ghosted me. So I'm gonna come on the record and say Apex is great. I love Apex, but Michael, you're fat and gay, Michael. And you know what, Mikey? You might be trans. I don't know. Maybe his name's Michelle. He's 400 pounds. He's got tits. So maybe his name's Michelle. You guys want to spam him? Should we fucking blow him up? Hold on. Yeah, let's do that. Let's fucking blow his shit up. You guys ready? Here, I'm going to spam his name. Let's fucking tag this guy 6 million times. You ready? Get set. Who's ready? You ready? Copy this shit. That's him. That's him right there. Michael, tag his ass. That's Michael. Where you at, Mike? Where you at, Mike? No, seriously. Let's call him Michelle, too. Let's just call him Michelle from here on out. Let's just call him Michelle. Michelle was supposed to be here, and he's not here. So if he's on Discord right now, he's probably like, what the fuck is going on? Wait, make sure you guys are tagging the right one. I see a lot of wrong Michaels being tagged. You're tagging the wrong Michaels. You guys are tagging the wrong Michaels. There's so many wrong Michaels being tagged right now. Oh my God. Yeah. You guys have tagged 3 different Michaels. Every Mike in the chat is freaking out right now. Someone tagged Mickle. Yeah, look at Monique's dumbass. Monique tagged the wrong one too. Look at this. Oh my God. It's a Michael massacre. Fuck Michaels. Everyone tag all the Michaels. Fuck all the Michaels. You know, to be honest, I don't think I've ever met a Michael that I'm like a huge fan of anyway. Seriously. I mean, when was the last time you met a Michael that you were like a huge fan of anyway? Who's Michelle R? They're tagging Michelle R now. This place is out of control. Who the hell is Michelle? Oh my God, this guy's tagging Michelle like crazy. Poor Michelle. She's getting fucking bamboozled right now. Yeah, I don't know if I've ever met a Michael that I like, to be honest, now that I think about it. So, wow, this chat just absolutely cooked all of the Michaels. This is, you guys are sick. You're sick individuals. You know that? You're sick individuals. Right there in the middle of them, someone said, fuck Ball Dan. I love that. Race them, rack them right in the middle of tagging the Michaels. Someone just comes out and says, fuck Ball Dan. Now, that is my type of humor right there. That is my type of humor right there. That's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. I like that. Love that. Love that. Okay. All right. We're good. We're good here. We're good. Great job, everybody. Great job, you degenerate, sick animal. Seriously, you guys have mental health problems. Clearly, there's some significant mental health problems in the chat. You guys are out of control, as always. I'm logging off all of my brokers. Hold on, let me log off everything before we screw. 4 for 5 trades today. I got wicked out once. 4 for 5 trades today. I got wicked out one time. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. 4 for 5, up 11,000 on the day. I'm so happy. Closing the damn day strong. I got a message from a guy named Michael, and it says, please stop tagging me. Okay, that's not the right Michael, but that was funny. What do you guys say we do one more interview? What do you guys say we do one more interview? Let's get another interviewer up here. Let's get another interview up here. Maxie, you changed my life. I'm about to get my first payout. I'm never going back. I've blown numerous accounts until I came to this Discord, and I made even 2 of my friends buckle down and join up. I love y'all. And I'm going to keep going strong the Maxi way, the only motherfucking way, and I cannot stop. That's very kind. You're kind of gay. The way you wrote that was kind of gay. It's very nice. I really appreciate the kind words. Don't call me Maxi. It's kind of gay. You're coming off, unless you're a chick. Are you a chick? I made 2 of my friends join. No, your pronouns are himothy. You're gay. Don't talk to me like that ever again, dumbass. Seriously, because then I'll ban you from this fucking awesome Discord. Don't fucking call me Maxi. No, stop right now. Stop right fucking now. This chat is ridiculous. I can't even focus. Daddy Max, blow my orb out. Ooh. Ew. This guy said, Max, will you blow my orb out? What the fuck? Ew. Wait, is Mike in the chat? Hold on. Did someone say that Mike is here? Where's he at? He is here. He is here. Michelle, that's his name. We call him Michelle. He is here. We had 700 people tag you, dumbass. Seriously, he's Michelle. Let's see if Michelle wants to come up. He was Michael, guys. Respect his boundaries. He's now Michelle. And he's a good person. He's a good person. Or she. Oh God, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. No, seriously, I'm so sorry, Michelle. I didn't mean to say it like that. I apologize. It's just, I shouldn't have said that. Where is he? I see her. Oh, I said it again, Michelle. I'm sorry. Get him up. Here. I'm just the worst. Get up here. Come on, Michelle. Get up here on the Big Daddy Morning Show. Get up here. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We did it.
Hey guys, it's 2025.
Oh God, Michelle.
What's cracking,
I'm
everyone?
sorry. I'm trying not to make the all right. I shouldn't have done that. Seriously, that was very rude of me. It was just instinctual. Seriously, I shouldn't have done that. Michelle, how are you doing? You told me you were going to be here earlier, Michelle.
Man, I had to take some awesome trades today. I just basically I hoped and prayed and I told the world that, it's 2025 and it needs to respect my trades, and here I am.
Let's fucking go. So you had a banger day today. You absolutely crushed it. Mike, Big Daddy Mike, we have a little thing on the show. You might be the first person to get a pass, but camera's on, Mike, or you got to go is what we say. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Camera's on or you got to go.
Man, I might have to go, man. I'm driving.
Big Daddy Mike, you're driving. Now, that sucks. We had 900 people wake your ass up just now. Did you get any Discord alerts from that?
I did indeed.
Yeah. We was like, let's get his attention
You know what's actually
because
funny? My alarm went off at 10 because I was going to join here at 10:45, and as soon as my alarm goes off, I just saw like 2,000 tags. So it was like perfect timing.
that is the power of what. Wait a minute, Mike. You woke up 4 minutes ago and you're driving, you fucking liar. You're sitting there stroking your fat meat and you're over trading. He's sitting there touching himself. No, seriously, you just got caught. I'm a fucking detective, Mike. 10 years law enforcement. You're not in your goddamn car.
Only 10 years?
10 years law enforcement. You're not in your fucking car.
Hold on. Let me send a picture of the steering wheel.
No, I don't want to see a picture of the steering wheel. Just turn your camera on. You are sitting there. He is sitting there in his bed, butt ass naked, with Louis Vuitton glasses on, fucking trading on his phone, stroking his little sack. That's what he's doing.
Hey, how do you know I trade on the phone?
I know you trade on the phone. I can tell you're a fucking phone trader. Seriously. Seriously.
I know I actually blew all the accounts today.
I blew them all, baby. Yeah, Big Daddy Mike, we had a great morning. I went 4 for 5, 11,000 in profit.
What is that, like 100 days in a row green?
No, not 100 green. 50, 54 and 2. What's the record here, chat? Production, can we pull the record up in the giveaway amount? What's our giveaway amount and our 54 green days, 2 red, and we've given away $44,256 in giveaways this year. Big Daddy Mike, what do you think about those numbers? Pretty fucking sweet. Pretty fucking sweet. If anyone wanted to see the results, go look back at my live every goddamn day because that's what we do. That's what we do. Ain't no faking the bacon.
I think we're easily hitting over 6 figures this year.
Oh, it's my goal. That's my goal every year. My option selling is taking a fucking crushing this year. Because Qs are down largely, and that's kind of hurting a little bit. I'm down about almost 50,000 now on my Qs. So, Max, tell him what happened to the Apex giveaways when you went on Patrick's YouTube live. I'm sure Michael's very aware of what happened. Mike, do you want to give some insight what actually happened? Because we gave away the largest giveaway. Was that not the largest giveaway?
Well, let's just say, Dan, that was the biggest giveaway I think on any platform, especially YouTube. It was $60,000 worth of Apex accounts.
We broke 1,200 accounts. The people fucking loved it. I mean, I loved it. That was absolutely amazing. Now, be honest. Were you guys stressed on the back end? Were you like, oh, fuck? Or was it like, it's fine. We're not worried about this?
It's with the latter option. You know what it was? It was because Big Daddy Max was there. And we had to represent. We had to show out. So
the biggest, the largest.
Giveaway.
The big Apex has the largest giveaway of all time, and Apex has the largest payout of all time, and I believe Apex will probably have the longest prop and longevity of all time. I don't give a fuck what anyone says about the pecs. We had a guy up here earlier, Big Daddy Mike, Tiger Wood. I gave him a little pep talk earlier. Where's Tiger Wood? About 12 days ago, I gave him a little psychology lesson right here on stage. Tiger, post your P&L for Michael. Can we see your total P&L for the day on your Apex accounts? On the funded, I had to give Big Daddy Tiger a big psychology lesson, and I believe he made over $11,000 on his PA accounts today. So right there, PA account, $10,387 on the PA account. Cash amount, $217 on the PA, Big Daddy Mike. We got a guy up 67,000 now in the Discord on his PA account. Absolutely crushing it.
That is crazy. As of today, guys, I'm up 100,000 on 10 accounts.
Oh, so you're up 10K each?
One of the accounts I'm up about 37, and then the other one's I'm up, between 8 and 5.
Ooh, nasty work, Big Daddy Mike. Guys,
I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to say anything here, but Tuan Lee, he just posted a nice video for you. Big Daddy Max in the chat.
Who the hell is Tuan Lee? Yeah, he's talking about you, Mike. He's saying cap for you because you lied about being in the car, and the chat has turned on you heavy right now. The chat has turned on you. They said you lied about being in the car. We can't trust this guy. They're like, we can't trust this guy. You're gay. Up. Someone called him gay. All caps. Can't trust him. Damn it. Listen. Hey. We like Mike. We just don't want to be like Mike right now because he's naked in his bed with his Louis Vuitton glasses on. Seriously, get him off the stage. Mike, you're they're turning. Mike, what can we do? Can we do something here to get the crowd back? Can we get them back? Where's the instant 90% promo? Can we get some account? What can we do here, Big Daddy Mike? Talk to me. We're on the Big Daddy Morning Show. Seriously.
We're gonna have to kind of circle back on that one. I'm gonna have to see what I can do real quick.
Go
What do you
ahead.
guys want? We gotta do 10 account giveaways? I do
10
some math
account-
equations.
Some fucking account giveaways. 90%. We lost him. He 90%. The people want the 90%. Maybe we can get a 1 hour 90%. 90% off for 1 hour maybe would be fucking. Where did he go? Where did he go? He just bounced on us like that. Damn, we just got scammed? Did Mike just fucking scam me? Damn. I thought he was about to win the whole crowd back. I thought he was going to win the whole crowd back, and he dipped on me, chat. He fucking dipped on me like that. Big Daddy Mike crashed out. He rug pulled. Yeah, he rug pulled on me. Wow. He crashed. He wasn't in his car. Definitely wasn't in his car. You don't got to be a detective to know he wasn't in his car. Not even 30 seconds later, he said, I just woke up. We know. He there he is. Whoa. Oh, I mean, Mike, we've been saying nothing about great things about you. Seriously, the crowd is super happy that you're here. They've been talking wonderfully about you since you left. They hope you reconnected, and here you are.
Man, Chad, I love you guys already.
They are conflicted. They're like, we want a fucking deal, Mike. We want it all. I mean, they're all over your ass. They want you to dip your face in bubble water and show us your morning routine right now with your tits out. Give us Mike and like Mike. I mean, yeah.
I don't know if I can do that. That might be a little.
Mike, are you willing?
Not
to
enough.
stick
You know,
your-
I'm
are
used
you
to
willing
that.
to stick your face in bubble water and show us your morning routine, or no? It's okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, that's why you disconnected. You ran out of your house, lost Wi-Fi, and got the car. That's why you disconnected, because you ran out of your house, lost Wi-Fi, got stuck on 5G, and now you're in your car. Interesting. I'm a detective.
The biggest, the largest, right?
The biggest, the largest. I know that's right. Is that a M badge I see? What's an M badge?
Actually,
Chat.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's a rental.
Oof.
My other car's in the shop.
There's other cars in the shop. Now you drive a Cyber Beast, right, Big Daddy Mike?
Well, actually, what happened was I was too big, so when I went around the one corner, I bottomed out the left side suspension.
Oh God. Mike is
I'm gonna
actually
get
a great
repaired.
co-host. Mike is a great co-host for the Big Daddy Morning Show. He is like he's like 600 pounds. Yeah. So Llama, Llama is like 1,000 pounds. Seriously, Llama is one of the Guinness Book World Record holders for largest Peruvians in the world. But Big Daddy Mike up here, I mean, now the stage is basically full again. Between me and Mike, we can't make a sharp turn, or the tires will actually fucking explode. So we're doing good. We're doing pretty good. I feel like we're back. We're back like nothing even happened, baby. Can he fit inside of a Lambo? Oof.
No, I don't think so. Well,
No.
You know what? I have never tried.
I have never tried either, but can we get the video of Llama? Can we pull up the video of Llama and Patrick Whelan's Lamborghini, please? Let's get that video of Llama getting out of Patrick Whelan's Lambo here. They're posting a bunch of pictures of Mike. That's actually Mike right there. No, great job. Seriously, you guys are really winning over the guy you want to give you free shit. This is exactly how you do it. Someone called him gay and fat and non-profitable. They're spamming fat people, and you want free.
Out of all of it, it has to stop at non-profitable. Come on.
All right,
That's
he's
the worst
profitable.
thing you can call
Whoa. Don't cross the line, guys. He is fat, he's gay, but he is definitely profitable.
I think they're trying to say the DJ there is trying to say that's us.
Who? The two fat dudes smacking each other's ass. Here we go. There's the video of Llama. Let's pull up that video of Llama real quick. Getting out of Patrick Whelan's Lamborghini there. The fat. Oh my God, you guys are out of control with the large. There's Llama. Let's take a look at Llama. Real tough time. Full crack. Right to the floor. Right to the
I'm
floor.
not gonna lie. I think that guy's micro compared to me.
Really?
Yeah, I mean,
really?
I'm like probably 650 on a good day, So
Damn.
He's probably about maybe like 280, 315.
Wow. Well, Llama is he's only like 5'5", 5'6" too. So I mean, what's your stats there? What
I'm
do you height?
4'11.
You're 4'11. Oh shit. shit, Mike.
Yeah, I'm
Holy
rounder than I am tall. So
you really are one of those little dumplings. I had heard rumors. I had heard rumors that you were a little round pudge. That's the word around town, but I didn't realize you were 4'11".
well, it's kind of like Pac-Man. Like I walk around and I eat streamers.
Yeah, I'm
And I eat
6'6".
bank account.
I'm 6'6" and 3/4. I'm 6'6" and 3/4. So
Such a
with
specific
shoes
number.
on, I mean, I'm up there. I'm one of the biggest guys you'll ever see. So 6'6" and 3/4. But I'm only weighing about 240 these days. I'm only about 240 these days. So it's going pretty good for me. The only thing fatter than me is my motherfucking bank account. The only thing bigger than me is my bank account. Someone was talking shit to me on Twitter the other day, and I said, "Shut up, broke back bitch," and I ratioed her whole tweet. Her whole post got ratioed. No one thought she was funny after that because she
I
insulted
didn't know
my
you were
fucking.
6'6". You must be on the NBA. Like, are you like that Chicago Bears mascot?
Yeah, no, I do not play sports anymore. I used to play sports in high school. I was very good. I am very tall, 6'6" and 3/4. I don't play basketball. I never learned how to dribble, really, but I was good at football. But I was also good at doing drugs back then. So unfortunately, I dropped out of school. Bitch, I wasn't no bench warmer. I started on both sides of the ball. I wasn't no damn bench warmer. I was just really good at a lot of things. I was A plus Ozempic addict. Yeah, I'm addicted to Ozempic. Seriously, I can't stop taking fucking Ozempic. I have to take it. So, and now, yeah, I guess I'm just like one of the most profitable futures and option sellers in the retail space, and I'm kind of famous, and I'm addicted to Ozempic. Seriously, so I think I'm doing pretty good for a high school dropout.
So we got llama, right? What about unicorn?
What's unicorn?
Well, I feel like
Yeah,
that's what we're missing. We need a
the
rainbow unicorn.
a rainbow unicorn. We ain't got no rainbow unicorn. We had a couple big guys on stage the other day. Two guys weighing in at 380, me, Llama, and someone else. We literally had 2 tons of man on the fucking stage, and I was worried about my fan base after that. I actually called Llama. Yeah, we had Cleveland, Big B, Cleveland. We had a lot of weight up here, and I called Llama after the show, and I was like, I'm actually worried about our fan base. Like, are we fucking gonna lose all of our customers because they're gonna die of heart attacks in the next 6 months? Like, maybe we should get an Ozempic sponsorship and really push thousands of pounds off. I think we have the fattest, most disgusting fan base. Really, how many of you guys are over? How many of you guys are over 300?
I think the people over that were 380 that hopped on stage are actually holding it down, and I think you and Llama gotta represent better and gotta be the biggest and the largest. You can't be outshined like that.
We are definitely the biggest, the largest. There's no one. We got a 330er. We got a 370. We got this guy, True Luncey. He's 324. Big
196 foot? That's nothing. That's like a twig.
That's nothing. You could fucking let the wind blow you away. 330, 200, not bad. King Nasty, 1,000 pounds. 220, 6'2", 240. Guys, if you're under 250, you're a woman. Guys, if you're under 250, you're a woman. So don't post your little female stats. Let's see some real stats up here. Actually, you know what? This is perfect. Let's get our producer up here. I want to show you guys. Let's get our production manager up here. Nick, production, get up here. Nick, get up here.
I think it goes if she ain't 380, she's not a lady.
Yeah, I want to guys show you the biggest person. I want to show you the biggest person you're ever going to see. Nick, can you turn off the Big Daddy Morning Show and show everybody your muscles real quick? Nick is large, but he's a bodybuilder. Nick is massive. Huge. Yeah, Nick makes Logan look fucking small. Seriously, Nick makes Logan look small. He is massive. So, Nick, you just can we show the people?
Yeah. I gotta I gotta set up my camera and stuff.
Yeah, set up your camera real quick, and then I'll show you guys what I'm fucking with production. I only hire the biggest, largest people because we gotta have some kind of like security around here. Like, seriously, when we walk into a restaurant, they turn us around and say, "Get the fuck out of here." There he is, the biggest guy you've ever seen. Nick, show him the guns, show him the pistols. Look at here we got. Whoa. Look at Big Daddy.
You gotta hit one of these.
Big Daddy Nick.
Oh,
whoa.
Watch this. Check this one out.
Don't hurt yourself. Okay. Easy. Look at this little fucking Nick. Nick is all print. Yeah, with those legs, Nick is all print. Moni is staring at that thing. Nick's a tripod. Nick is only 109 pounds.
What?
He's 109 pounds. He looks like a lesbian. If I'm going to be frank with you, you look like a lesbian, but you're 109 pounds, and he's got a massive schlongole. He's a tripod. So I think Moni.
I was famous in high school for it.
You were for the tripod?
Yeah.
Let's get Moni on stage real quick.
I'm not gonna lie, he'd be perfect to reach behind my seat and grab some stuff that I like, some food crumbs that I dropped over the last year.
Moni, get your sweet ass up here. Mike, what kind of food crumbs do you drop? Do you eat at your desk?
Usually they're cheesesteaks. Well, I mean,
Who on
you know, I'm
production
kind of in
was
the
the most,
car.
AJ?
I'm in a rental right now, so you know, I don't got much food in here. But I gotta,
Have you
you know, I
ever
gotta
heard
leave
of-
it in the truck.
Have you ever heard of Big B's cheesesteaks right outside of Chicago?
I have not.
Oh, you got to go there. Apparently, it's the Big G's. It's one of the it's one of the
Everyone
best.
says everyone says Pat and Gino's is the best, and I know everyone in chat's gonna agree.
I've never heard of the. What are these pictures? Oh my God! What are these disgusting photos right here of fat and skinny? Yeah, Nick the lesbian is up here. Nick is the head of production at MOT. He looks like a lesbian, but he is extremely muscular and he's packing a fucking 15-incher. So you can say whatever you want about him being a lesbo, but he is one of the most muscular people and famous people around. So, Nick.
Yes, sir.
Any words of advice for the people who want to get a hold of you, like, because you're going to be a fan favorite after this?
I'm not single. I'm taking ladies.
Oh, sorry, Moni. We're going to get Moni up here. Nick, let me ask you a question. Have you ever got a little melted chocolate on your hands?
No.
Okay, not really surprised there. Nick, you loyal men in the chat only though. No Baskin Robbins for you. You're a vanilla.
I mean, not only vanilla, but you know, I just haven't tried the chocolate yet. You know what I mean?
What kind of women?
I like coffee.
Because
you know what I mean?
You've never been with a stud? You know what a stud is?
No.
Oh, you're a lesbian, so you should know. A lesbian stud is like a girl from Atlanta, like that dresses like kind of like a dude.
No, I've not.
You've never heard of a stud? Chat, can we get? Is there any studs in the chat? Do we have any studs in the chat from Atlanta? Preferably from Atlanta.
Who said this shit, bro? I bet his dick is as big as a little kid's leg. Jesus Christ.
That's a little wild.
Yeah, ban that guy. Ban that guy.
Ban that. Yeah, get him out of here. Here's a stud right here. There's a good photo of a stud. So, well, that's a dude. Never mind. Very interesting. So, all right, Nick, I was trying to find you love, but we like to segment
5-year relationship.
The Max making show. This is also the Max making show, where we like to Max make. But I'm sorry, Nick, we're not going to be able to find love for you today. So we appreciate you coming back up. I was trying to see if there was any. Yeah, I was trying to see if there was any studs here who were interested, but I'm sorry, Nick. I tried my best. Mike, I tried to find him love. I did, but we couldn't do it. So we couldn't do it. Guys, the market is down 3.5%, but my bank account is up 11,000 on the day. We got Big Daddy Mike here. We're having a fucking hell of a show. It's Friday. Finish Friday on a high note. We absolutely crush it. Jay Powell speaking in 15 minutes. Jay Powell, good afternoon. Good afternoon. He's going to come out. He's going to say, well, if he's appropriate, he's going to say good morning. If it's before noon, he's going to say good morning. And he needs to save the market, guys. We need Jay Powell more than ever. Jay Powell actually has the world record for the world's longest penis. So we need him to come in there, good morning, and absolutely let the market rip. Market needs to rip. So we'll see what happens. 15 minutes we got. Seeing a little retracement right here, but overall, the market has been crushed in the last few days. And it hasn't been the most favorable. So, Big Daddy Mike, what do we got?
I'm not gonna lie, someone in chat was kind of right. I mean, Nick said he was taken for the ladies, but he never said anything about the men.
Well, he's a lesbian. He's definitely a woman.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I'm new here. I don't know all that. You know what I mean?
Right. You're new here. You are new to the Big Daddy Morning Show. We didn't expect you to know that Nick is a woman. He is a lesbian. And he prefers the ladies. I thought I was going to get Moni up there.
So wait, technically he is gay though. If he is a woman, but he likes women, isn't that the same as being gay?
Oh, I mean, there's 100% chance of gay. He's definitely gay. I mean, that everyone knows that. But yeah, but he loves the ladies. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We were trying to get Moni up here. She's a fan favorite, Big Daddy Mike. She is our top female correspondent on everything big and black. She is a little retarded, but we love her. She blows all of her prop accounts, and we've been trying to help her out. We're gonna get that psychology piece down, and when she gets up on the stage one day, she's gonna say, "Y'all, I did it. I got a fucking payout."
I'm not gonna lie, this is the #1 show already. Any show that says retard, I haven't heard that word in forever, and that's one of my favorite words because I am one. And that just solidified right there that everyone in this chat has to spam best chat ever, best show ever right now.
This is the best show ever. Everyone knows this is the best show ever, the Big Daddy Morning Show. You know what we did is when Donald Trump got elected, President Trump, he said, you guys can all say retard again and gay. You can call people gay and retard again, but we're going to crash the market. So it's a fair trade-off. It's a good trade-off. In my opinion, the trade-off is definitely working. He said, yeah, the market's going to dip $100, but you get to call your friends retarded while you do it. It's pretty solid. I mean, pretty solid. I guess I take it. I guess I like it, to be honest with you. But right now, we're getting a little pump. Q's about to break 3%. We might see a little rebound here. Michael has not announced a giveaway. Mike has not announced a giveaway. Mike's the guy. He's trading right now. You could tell he's being a degenerate right now.
Well, I mean, you might have actually been a good detective and caught me there. I'm not going to lie.
I am the best detective. I am the best. I think I was right about everything, Mike. I think you were in your house. I think you were butt-ass naked trading, and then I think you got caught running to your car, and then I think you came back in, and now you're trading again.
Well, I mean, you were right about the butt-ass naked part, but I was actually in my car.
Naked in the car. If he's not... Oh, Omar says if Mike is not chewing, he's trading.
Well, actually, I'm trading while I'm chewing on my nail. I'm always chewing.
Omar, you almost killed me with that one. That was really good. If Big Daddy Mike ain't chewing, then he's trading. I know that's right. That was pretty wonderful. So, guys, this has been...
since you love me so much, we're going to do another 10 accounts next week giveaway.
We're going to do another 10. We're going to do 10 accounts when?
Whenever you want next week because of everyone's hospitality.
Everyone's been good to you. Can we give away 10 accounts right now?
When does stream end today? 11:30?
Stream ends whenever Big Daddy Max says the stream ends. But I think if we can just get a couple, I mean, the people want it. A lot of people were like, give us a discount code. A lot of people were like, we want these free accounts, Big Daddy Mike. And I know how the code works. Give us 90% off 1 hour BDM code. Fuck the discounts. Give us 10 accounts.
Everyone in chat, do you want the codes now? If you want them now, let me run inside. Let me get them. And then I can
run inside, Big Daddy Mike. Let's get these codes going.
Maybe let me waddle inside. How about that?
You waddle your sweet ass, Mike. Are you on the first floor? I hope he's on the first floor. If he's not on the first floor, I would hate to see the Richter scale every time he walks his fat ass up to his apartment.
Oh
shit! I didn't know you heard that. I'm sorry. We love you.
5 minutes. I gotta take the 2 steps. I pause, and then I get there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you take 5. We are going to go. So how it works with Apex giveaways, guys, big shout out to Apex. They are fucking awesome. Now that I've got to meet some of the team over there, Apex is badass. He's going to give away some accounts. We could probably get something coupon wise in the future. This is the first time, guys. You can't ask for fucking the whole boat on the first time. We got to always establish the relationship. All right. So we're going to send buckets and buckets of chicken to Mike's house after this. We're going to send buckets of chicken. We're going to get his address and we're going to send buckets of chicken. They gave Rips 90% off last week. Really? They gave Rips 90% off with gallons of gravy. Yeah. They gave Rips 90% off. Maybe I do deserve 90% off. I'm fucking Big Daddy Max. Maybe we get the 90% off and the fucking giveaways. Maybe we get the 90% off and the giveaways, Mike. Yeah, with no activation fee. I'm BDM. Where the hell's Mike? He's up in his house. Mike, we want 90% off and giveaways. Brian, look, I got Mike up here. Big shout out to Brian, Turtle Soup Retard. We got a Turtle Soup Retard. Brian Stonk in the house. Big shout out to Brian Stonk. He's a total Turtle Soup Retard. Unicorn Retard. I'm sorry. I did not mean to insult you. See, I gave you the title. Look at your title, Brian. You are a turtle soup tard. I'm sorry. Brian wants to trade versus me, guys. Brian wants to trade off against Big Daddy fucking Max. Brian wants to trade off versus Big Daddy Max. Let me post some stats real quick. Let me post some stats for Brian. Where's Brian at? Brian's coming into my fucking house. Brian's coming to my house, and he thinks he's gonna beat Big Daddy Max in a fucking trade-off. Hold on, Brian. Let me post some stats real quick. Let me go to my pro accounts. Let me get to my pro accounts real quick, player. So right here, Brian, here's some quick stats for you. Brian Stonk. Here's some quick stats for you right here, Brian. If you take a look here, I'll tag you in this, in your name in this, Brian. Pay attention to the photos here. You can see my pro accounts, my pro pluses here, Brian, and I've never had a red fucking day. I'm up over 14,000 per account, and I made 11,000 today. 11,000 today, Brian. I have never had a red fucking day, and I'm up $11,000 today, Brian. You sure? Are you sure you really want to come into my fucking house and trade against Big Daddy? Do you really want to come trade against Big Daddy like that? I'm the fucking 2007 New York Giants, and you're like the fucking Tom Brady here. Tradeify Live, Patrick Whelan's down 55%. Brian, what do you think about those stats? Top tier? Very nice. Very nice. And Brian's an ICT trader. Have you seen this before, Brian? Brian's an ICT trader. What do you guys think about Brian? ICT. Ooh, ew, gay. Fuck Brian. He's gay. We love Brian. No, Brian might be, if I were to talk shit about people who trade ICT, I would take it very light on Brian. Brian from Family Guy. I would take it very light from Brian and Llama. Llama loves ICT, guys. Loves. I wouldn't disrespect the Llama, and I wouldn't disrespect Brian. The Llama and the Brian. Two badasses in the game. Two badasses. Brian says I represent the 10 good ICT traders. 90% are bad. Guy's a legend. Where did Big Daddy Max learn? Through trial and error. I absolutely blew lots of money. And then I taught myself the simplest, best way to win. It's called the ORB. You may have heard of it. It's called the ORB. You may have heard of the Max Way. The Max Way is the only way. You may have heard of it. I think it's called the motherfucking ORB. The ORB. Bring Brian Stonk up on stage. Big Daddy Brian, you want to come on up? Come on up, Brian Stonk. There he is. Brian,
what is up, chat?
What's going on? Brian, we have a phrase here. If you're on the show, camera's on or you got to go. Let's see it.
Hey, I don't see Michael's camera on. He's on the show.
Michael's 400 pounds. He physically cannot put his camera on.
I just want to give you an update. Codes were sent indeed.
Did not mean to say that, Brian. Mike, I did not call you 400 pounds. That was Brian who said that.
Bro, it's a solid 650.
Guy is a legend.
You gotta make me look better than I am, man. Come on.
Guy is a fucking legend. So we got that. All right, we got here. So Mike, what's the? I see what you sent me. So what do I just got to throw one of these out? I just posted in the chat.
What I would probably do is pick a random person and then just DM them that code.
Pick a random person and DM them that code. So we got to pick all of these people.
Yep.
All right. So we're going to give away a bunch of shit, Brian. We're going to give away a bunch of shit. Mike, Big Daddy Mike, pick a number 1 through 418. We're going to give away a fuck ton of Apex accounts right now.
418, why is that so specific?
Because that is the amount of people still watching right now.
Oh, okay. There we go. I'm going to guess. You want me to say it or should I?
Just say any number.
127.
127, 60, 80, 100, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The winner is named Oscar. Oscar with the little eagle photo. Oscar with the little eagle photo. Where's he at? There he is. Let's go. Oscar, you just won a fucking Apex account, dumbass. You just won a fucking free Apex account. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. This is for any size Apex account. Is 100%
any size,
free.
any platform.
Any size, any platform, totally free. He can get a 300K. He can get he could do whatever he wants, right?
Yep.
Code has been sent. All right, let's go. Big Daddy Mike, shoot out another number for the people.
All right, everyone ready?
Let's
297.
Go. 297, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 287?
297.
297. Let's go 10 more. Hold on. Stand by. We got a guy named V. Lee. V Lee, where you at? V Lee, where you at? We're giving away another Apex fucking account right now. Where's V Lee? V Lee, holy shit, he said. V Lee, there's your code in your DM. Any size Apex account, any platform. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's get it going. Big Daddy Mike, let's get another one up here.
Wait, are you like basically counting like who's watching basically like that number?
Yep, 422.
Well, and I feel like we have to go with number one, right? Because they've been here the whole time.
Number one, right in the front, Mr. Dometry, right here in the front. Where's Dometry? Number 3, third person to potentially get the dub here. Where is he? Is he in the chat? Yo, there's your code, player, in your DM. In your DM. He just said yesterday, your show is fucking awesome. Your energy is killer, and you've gained a fan. My guy. Well, guess what? You just won a free fucking Apex account. 50K, 100K, 150K, 200K, 250K, 300K, trade evade, fucking wealth charts. It don't matter, player. You get whatever you want. You get this is Burger King, bitch. You get it your way. Congratulations. Big Daddy Mike, number 4.
Let's go 54.
54. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 54. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 54 is... It's moving around. Stop moving, dumbasses. You guys keep fucking moving and the name has changed 3 times. Here we go. The last 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is Obey the Vans. Obey the Vans. Where is Mr. Obey? Obey the Vans. Obey the Vans. Where's he at? Is he here? Is he here? This is number 4. 1, 2, 3. We have number 4 here. Is he here?
Count
Big
it
Daddy
out.
Mike. Do you see him?
Count it out.
Come on, where's he at? Where's he at? Obey the fans. Where you at? We'll give you 10, 15 seconds. We got to be firm and we got to be fair. If he's not here, he misses out. He misses out on a fucking free Apex, whatever you want.
What number am I? I might just keep guessing that number.
You are too large. There's no number. It says an infinity symbol next to your name.
All right, then infinity. That's an easy one to win.
He is not here. Big Daddy Mike, we got a miss shot. Let's go ahead and get
I
another
know.
number 1 through 410.
I'm thinking got to go the highest amount.
410. The last person in the chat is Skeeter. Skeeter X, a mastermind student.
Right there. That's my favorite name.
Skeeter, where are you at, Skeeter? You are the winner, Big Daddy Skeeter, of account number 4. Let's see, Skeeter. Where is he? Is he here? Skeeter said, that's me. And there's your code in your DM. Check your messages. Congratulations, Skeeter. Let's move on to number 5. Big Daddy Mike, number 6. Give us number 6.
67.
67, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is a guy named... Oh, shit. We just had this guy. This is a good guy. Hey, we just interviewed this guy, and he is a badass. Ladies and gentlemen, Big Daddy Mike Jr. Mike Jr., where you at? He's a fucking, that's a good dude right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mike Jr. with another free account. He was telling his story. Mike Jr., where you at? Where you at, player? Where you at, Mike? Mike thinks he's cute. There he is. Monique. Mike was pretty cute, right? I think you give him a holla. I think she said she'd do it. Mike, I think she said she'd do it. Yeah, she agrees. She said that was a piece of chocolate she wouldn't mind letting melt in between her thighs. Nasty bitch. Nasty bitch. Just kidding, Moni, you nasty pig. Let's keep it moving. Big Daddy Mike, number 7.
I'm going to pick a number that 2 fat guys or 2 fat people would look. It'd be 69. That'd be what they'd actually look like.
I know that's right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 69 is Droptimus Prime. Droptimus Prime. His pronouns are that. Let's see if we can get him on stage real quick, actually. Droptimus Prime, number 7. Let's see if we can get him on stage real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Droptimus Prime. Let's see if we can get him up here. He just wanted to count. Do we have anybody in the crowd of melanin, person of culture? Do we have anybody from Huntsville, Louisiana? Do we have... No, I'm not asking for your countries, dumbasses. I'm asking to speak to Moni. I'm asking for... Oh, hell no. Can somebody... Alabama? Okay, that's good. Mike Jr., He was here. Was he here? I didn't see him even respond. Is he not here? I mean, drop him as prime. Dropped him as prime. Is he not here? We're going to give him about 10 seconds. Mike Jr., can you come up on stage for me? Big Daddy Mike, how's it going?
It's going pretty good. Hold on.
You just want another account. Real quick, Mike, did you see Drop Them as Prime's pronouns?
No, I didn't see it.
Okay, so his pronouns were real quick. Let me just get a quick look real quick. I'll post it for you. If you could just help me real quick, Mike. So this is his pronouns. I'm going to say the first one. If you could say what his second pronoun is, so we could be respectful. Drop Them as Prime is that.
Nigga.
Okay, so that.
Nigga.
All right, perfect. That's what we really needed. Mike Jr., you're the man. Congratulations on the account. You're the man. Enjoy that Apex account. Any size, baby. Any platform. You're the winner.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You are the man. All right. Well, sorry, dropped miss. It doesn't matter what your pronouns are when you fucking missed the giveaway, dumbass. So let's pick number 7 again.
137. And I'm not gonna lie, I think Mike, he might deserve another account.
You wanted me to give Mike Jr. a second account?
I think so. I mean, chat, do you agree? He put in so much work right there. He probably gotta go eat like 2 cheesesteaks to make up for that.
Yes, W, yes, fuck no, yes, ow. He always does that. Katie says he always does that. He is my senior N-word correspondent. Big Daddy Mike, you ain't getting 2 accounts, bitch. I'm sorry. I have to override here. We have to be firm and fair. But I ain't giving you another account for you've done that like 6 times. Number 7, what was the number?
I think it was like 134.
134, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 130. We got Wazon, 485. Wazon 485. Where you at, Wazon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wazon 485. Is he here? He tried to give it to Mikey. Does he need to say shit? Because I'm your guy. Shiny butts with the win already. Where's Wazon? Wazon, free Apex account with your name on it.
Ew.
You got 15 seconds. Ew. No, that's
the nastiest cheesesteak I think I've seen.
That's Big B's cheesesteak, but I don't know why he's got his finger in it like that.
That's what I mean. That's why it's nasty, though.
Why is he? Yeah, he's got his fucking hand in there like that. He's fingering the cheesesteak. That's disgusting.
I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I don't know if it's just me being fat or what, but I always get extra meat.
Where is Wazon? Wazon, you got about 10 more seconds. I would suck the meat right off his fucking finger if I was hungry enough. If I was hungry enough, I would fucking suck the meat right off of that shit. Production, I realized what I just said. Let's go ahead and cut that out. 11:33 a.m. Let's go ahead and get rid of the last 1 minute of the show, production. 11:33 a.m. I just realized what happened. Let's go ahead and remove that. Big Daddy Mike, let's get another number going.
I gotta think long and hard. I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm losing it. 150.
150. We're going to 40, 60, 80, 10, 120, 130, 140, 150. Right on the dot. His name is Human Here. Human Here. Do you
think that was a mistype and he meant to put human here, or like?
He could be a man of Spanish descent, and there could be definitely a typo there. So Human Here, or whatever the fuck. Where's he at? Where's he at? Human Here. Human.
Yo.
Bang, there he is. Here's your code. Congratulations, my friend. Here is your code. Bro, this guy is... Oh, we got all the boys. Okay, who's that?
That's my man's.
Good.
That's your man's? Oh, you guys are dating?
No.
Oh, you said that's my man's. My bad. I didn't know you guys... I mean, it's cool if you are. It's cool if you are. You look like Jaden Smith. Has anyone ever told you look like Jaden Smith? No? Oh, okay. Maybe I'm retarded. I don't know. Maybe I'm the retard in the chat. Optimus Prime, can you explain your pronouns to us?
That nigga, him.
What does that mean? What about the guy behind you? What are his pronouns? What did he say? Where are you guys from?
Uzbekistan.
Where are you really from, dumbass?
I'm from Louisiana, but I live in Maryland. We in Maryland,
Maryland.
You're in Maryland right now? Oh yeah. And are you guys traders?
I'm a trader.
You're a trader?
I'm trying to be a trader.
Yeah, I'm just
The
getting.
follow-up question, are you profitable?
Fuck no, not yet.
I know that's right. I know that's right. What is the number one reason you think that you're not profitable?
I don't have a system, but I'm creating one right now. I'm back testing. I'm working on my orb, so I'm getting the system.
Okay, back testing, working on the orb. Guy's honest. His pronouns are solid. I mean, he was late, but I guess that's he was late, but is being late something that you'd usually do?
Yeah, but I'm working on that too. I'm working.
You think Monique's late all the time too?
That's a crazy question.
No, I'm just asking. I don't know. She says I am. So I'm just trying to put two and two together here and just connect the dots. No big deal. Let me ask you one last question. All right. If you had the chance, how long you been watching the Big Daddy Morning Show?
Like a month.
Like a month. So you know who Moni is.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you had the chance and Moni was at a bar and you guys were hanging out and you approached her, you shot your most what line? First of all, if you had to come spit some game to Moni, what line are we talking about?
I got a girl first of all.
Ooh, okay. Okay. So final question.
Yeah.
You're at the club with Moni. Would you or would you not?
Would I or would I not? Would I? I would.
I'm talking 2 bottles of tequila.
2 bottles. That's a lot. I don't drink like that, but
okay, but let's just say you got crazy because you just got your first payout from Apex.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'd be lit. I'd be turned. So yeah.
You trying to get so the final answer is
hell yeah.
Yeah.
2 bottles of tequila.
God. Yeah, I know that's right. Hell yeah. What do you guys think about my boy dropped in this motherfucking prime right here? His pronouns are that.
Nigga.
You guys think he deserves? I say W's in the chat for Droptimus. I'm sending him the motherfucking code right now.
Yeah.
Winner number 8 is Droptimus Prime right here. Message. There's your code, Big Daddy Drop. Right there in the DM. Any account size. Thank me. Thank Apex. Thank Big Daddy Mike. You're the man. Hey. You should maybe come up on the show again. Let's have another interview. That was pretty solid.
And listen,
the chat wanted me to say that the football team, I don't see any football team, but the football team shirt is gay. I've seen that many times. So whoever's wearing a football,
whoa, we gonna cut that right here.
Droptimus is the man. His man's in the back though. Gay. And you're out of here. See ya. All right. That was account number 8. We're fucking on a roll. Big Daddy Mike, what'd you think about Droptimus?
Not gonna lie, it was pretty cool.
Whoa, Big Daddy Mike. The little puffer fish is here, baby. What's going on?
That's how you know I just woke up.
You look like the teacher from SpongeBob SquarePants. Has anyone ever told you look like the teacher from Mrs. Puff? You look like Mrs. Puff from. Hold on, Mike. Where are you from?
I'm from Pennsylvania.
Are you sure you have family that started in New York?
No. You know what I was thinking of doing? Putting my face really close to the camera and making it seem like I take up the whole.
We know because we might be related in some way. We have very similar structure. The only thing, are you smoking a little bit right now, or your eyes just?
I'm not gonna lie, Bobby. I've always been told people say I look a little Asian.
Oh, you look a little Asian. Have you met what was the guy's name? Have you? No, he's not high right now, guys. Seriously, he's not high right now. He doesn't do that. He is a professional. Nah, he's lying. No, he is actually. Big Daddy Mike has the world record for the largest Asian of all time. The largest Asian of all time, Big Daddy Mike. Mike, we're on account number 9, baby.
I'm thinking we go with my weight in 3rd grade, which is going to be 250.
Your weight in 3rd grade, 250. You know, that's actually kind of fucking crazy. Bald Dan, I think I was about 240 in 3rd grade. Where's my brother? My brother's here, Bald Dan. I think I was rocking about 240. Pretty close, right? Yeah, pretty close. So he's in good company here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's go ahead and get 250. That's insane. Here we go. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250 to our winner, Billionaire One. Billionaire One. Where's Billionaire One? Billionaire One is our 9th winner. 9th winner, Billionaire One. Where's he at? Yes, sir. Right up top, Billionaire One. There's your code. Apex. Any size, baby. Any size. It's all yours. If you deserve it, Big Daddy Mike will serve it right there. Any size.
What should we do for number
And
10 though? Like what's special?
Number 10. We are on the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are on the last one. Big Daddy Mike.
I think what we should do is you and I need to combine our newborn weight, and I think we're going to be at about 87.
I was the biggest baby ever. I can say the N-word. The guy said, Prince said, I will say the N-word for us. That's pretty impressive. What are you guys willing to do on camera for the last account? Any Apex account, any size. What are you guys willing to do here? Someone's going to twerk, push-ups. I can do anything. I'll have explosive diarrhea, a little dance, ball shots. Apex is garbage. You're an idiot. Hardest way to get fucking kicked out. The push-ups, shut up, no homo stuff. Crazy Irishman posted his wife's tits again. Yep, Crazy Irishman. He had his wife swinging her big old watermelons on the stream last week, Mike. It was out of control. She was shaking those knockers. She almost killed herself. Yep.
That's
Production, you're gonna have a field day. You're gonna have a field day with this one. Let's see what we can get here. Let's see what we could do here. This part, let me see. I'll have my husband twerk in the pool. You'll have your I'll call ICE on my parents. That's wild work. I will call ICE Immigration Services on my parents is wild work. Wild work, guys. We need this. Sonny says he needs this shit. What are you willing to do, Sonny? Sonny, I think you are up on stage the other day. Well, guys, we got one more code left here. We got one more code. Big Daddy Mike has blessed us. You hoed me. You hoed yourself, bitch. Nah, someone's got to do something. Is anyone
Are you
willing
familiar with the cinnamon challenge?
The cinnamon challenge, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and they choke on it.
And they can't have any water till it's all down.
I don't want anyone to die on the stream. I think I did it one time and I choked tremendously. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, I did do that one time and I choked really, really badly. Really, really badly. It's rough. It's rough. Someone said they'll do the Tide Pod challenge. Mike, I apologize for calling you gay and fat earlier and Apex gay. I'll take the code now. No backtracking, dumbasses. Seriously, you guys were very disrespectful. Vagabond will fuck his dog live. That's strange.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie,
fold a load of laundry.
We put something there to never give Vega account.
Hold on. Cassandra here says she'll chug a gallon of milk. Now, Cassandra, are you really willing to chug a gallon of milk live? I'm interested. I'm interested. Actually, someone's got my interest. I wonder if Cassandra will chug a gallon of milk. My husband, not me. Gay. Nope, not gonna happen. I'll cheat on my wife with her sister. Will waterboard my son. These people are out of control. Holy shit. I'll smoke 10 cigarettes at one time. I'll full port my pro account right now. This is great. This is great. The thing I'll post my fiance's nudes. Big Daddy Mike, are any of these things interesting to you? Anything that you think
a lot of them are a little extreme.
They're very extreme. Max Sleep says he'll shave his whole beard. That's a commitment. We couldn't get what's his name to do it. We tried to get someone to shave their beard. He was true to the game. Yeah, Dakota stood strong. Mike, give us the 90% goddamn code. Mike, give us the code. What did Bunny say?
We can go 87, but I mean, I think chat's got it. If we look a little longer, we might find something.
I'll shave my eyebrows. I'll shave my beard. I'll shave my head. I'll eat one of these each. I
think that's a good idea.
What's a hot beans? Are they really
like hot peppers?
Okay, let's get him up here. Let's get Trade More Wiser up here. What the hell is that hot beans thing? It's got cayenne, habanero, Carolina Reaper, Sriracha, and Jalapeno. If this guy's Mexican, though, no, that doesn't count. If this guy's Mexican, it doesn't count because they eat this shit all day. Oh, here we go. Trade more. Hold on. Let's see the whole profile here. Let's see.
No.
What part of Ohio are you from?
No, I'm in Cali.
Cali?
Yes.
And are you intoxicated right now?
No, sir.
Okay. What is this bean thing? Can you show the bean thing to the camera?
Honestly, this shit will probably kill me.
All right. Why do you have this hot bean thing?
It's like a challenge, really. I had to buy it because it was like a challenge,
All right.
and it's like
All right. Let's see. Let's start the challenge. Let's get the first one in there. What do we got? I need to see you open it. I need to see you do it. This guy's high as a kite. Yeah, this dude's fucking ripped. Here we go.
Let's do this.
All right. First one. What's the first level? Is jalapeno? Level 1, sriracha. All right, take the sriracha. Let's get it. Sriracha, jalapeno, and then cayenne. Here we go.
I think I should just throw them all in at once.
You're gonna do all of them at once?
You think I should eat one at a time? Because I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to last.
Heck yeah, one at a time. That's how you do the challenge.
All right.
This is the challenge. Do the first one. My guy said I'm gonna eat them all at once. Jesus. Here we go. Let's see the first one. This guy's ripped.
All right.
This guy's absolutely ripped. Here we go. First one. Give it. Yep.
Sriracha.
Sriracha. Easy. Don't break a tooth. All right.
I know that tastes
Sriracha.
nasty.
Not bad. Not bad. You're real up in the you're in the camera. You are so ripped, my guy. I could tell. You are gone. Yeah, you are gone. All right, next one.
Next one is gonna be habanero.
All right.
Or no, is it
the jalapeno?
Jalapeno.
Yeah, this is great. Guys, don't try this shit at home. This is a challenge that you can do on yourself. We don't recommend anyone do challenges like this. NFA, we're not financial advisors either. Wonderful job. Okay, how's that one? How's the flavor of that one?
That one? I think the other one was a little bit hotter.
Really? Okay. And number 3, cayenne. Can we see number 3 now? Cayenne. How are you feeling right now? First 2, how you feeling?
It's
cayenne.
It's definitely heating up.
It's definitely heating up. Okay. Let's see.
Cayenne.
This guy is fucking big.
Woo!
This guy is fucking ripped. All right, cayenne, baby.
You don't love it?
Let's go. Let's see it, baby. Let's see it. Cayenne. All right. Did you eat that one? It looked like you might have popped. Are you a magician? Ugh. Okay, you're good. You're good. You're good. Ugh.
I won't lie to you.
You're an animal. How long have you been trading for?
So it's getting a little hot. Let me get the next one.
How long have you been trading for?
I've been trading for probably about 4 years. Options.
Wow. Okay. Options. Wonderful. Now, are you profitable?
No. I had a really good year. I had a really good year, 2021. So I was profitable.
And
right. But you know, that was a good year, right? That was a year that everyone was winning. So
right. And now, what's the main reason why you don't think you're profitable?
Well, pretty much I know a lot had to do with myself, but also my surroundings. I was dealing with a lot in life, really, to be honest. And then
right.
I ended up losing my mom in 2023.
Okay.
So,
sorry to hear that.
Thank you. So yeah, I took about a year off because that destroyed me. I started just making really dumb decisions, and
right. This is one of them. You're still making dumb decisions, apparently. It seems to be one of them.
Yeah. So I took about a year off, and then lost my dad in 2024. So a year later, I lost him.
Jesus.
My mom was a tragic accident. She wasn't supposed to die. And then my dad was never in my life, so it didn't really affect me, but still he died from a heart attack.
Right.
So yeah, so pretty much I just started trading futures though, like a couple months into 2024.
Right. Very good.
Let's get this next one going though, huh?
Yeah, wow. That's we're very sorry for that story. Let's get the next bean going.
Yeah. You know, I ain't trying to be all looking for sympathy or anything, but yeah, I appreciate it.
What's this one?
Habanero.
The beans of truth. The beans of truth. You're going through it right now and in life. So you're back on the futures game. How are you feeling with futures?
Yeah, so I just want hot.
How are you doing with futures?
Futures I was doing well when I first started. Past a couple accounts, almost got funded, messed up, boom. And then you know, I did take a little break for a bit. I started up again this year on futures, so I've been back to it. And I was going a little wild. Same thing, getting close to that.
Right.
So hot.
I would drink some milk. Disclaimer: this is not very safe. Probably. You should drink some milk. Yeah, you should. Where's Cassandra's dumbass? He's got his milk, Cassandra. Where's your dumbass at? You ain't got no fucking milk. All right, well, you're killing this. You're killing the interview. You're killing. This is Max ones. This is Max ones. Max's ones. This is Max's hot jelly beans. What do we got next?
The Carolina.
Oof. Oh my God. Carolina, you don't have to do this. So do you want to tap out now?
Nah, I'm running it.
You're going to run
He's
this
scared
shit.
about none
Okay,
of
here
that.
we go. Show us that Carolina. Show us that disgusting Carolina Reaper. Oof.
Don't touch your eyes after that. Wash them right away.
Yeah, don't touch your eyes. Yeah, don't touch. Here we go. Carolina down the pipe. All right. So you've been trading for 4 years. You went through some stuff. You're back in the futures game, and then like, what do you think you're going to do differently now in the trading that we can get to that payout process? What do you think you're going to do differently now?
Well, right now I'm working on it. My account, I did really good this whole week, so I'm almost on it. But I did take a loss yesterday, a little bigger than I wanted. I walked away, and then today I took a little loss and I walked away.
That's smart. That's really good to do that. You can do that's the best thing you can do. One and done, get the wins, take the losses, because you're better off coming back to the casino the next day than sitting there in the continued trade, right? Because that's what they want you to do. That's exactly what they want you to do. So you're doing the right thing. You're doing the right thing, and you're absolutely killing it.
I'm trying. I'm trying. You know what I mean? So I'm taking it really slow right now. I'm be honest. I like, in the beginning of my trading career, I think I was following too many people. That's what got me really screwed up too.
Right.
Following too many people, jumping Discord to Discord. You know what I mean?
Right. That happens.
I definitely rock with your style with when it comes to futures. Of course, when it comes to options trading, the strategy I'm working with is, of course, different. Orb is nice, but I definitely I like your strategy. You know what I mean? I try and do trades on my own, but sometimes I'll try and catch a trade with you in the morning. I'll come in here and see what you're up to. You know what I mean? And
I know that's right. Right.
You know what I mean? So
hell yeah.
Still just working on it though, because future is a little more tricky for me. You know what I mean? You gotta definitely be more precise. So I feel like that's something I'm working on those entries too. I gotta be.
For sure. You definitely got to be precise on the futures. It is tough to, because you can get wicked out so fast in the futures. You could do so much in the futures. It's crazy. So, but you seem like you got the right mindset right now for it. Seriously, you got the right mindset for it. Nothing says mental fortitude than doing a heat challenge with jelly beans. So, what are we on? Are we on the last one?
We did them all.
Oh, that's
I'll
all.
throw more in. I'll run it again.
No, you don't. No. You don't have to. The last one was what? Carolina Reaper?
Yeah, that was the Carolina Reaper.
Let me see. Switch the can. Move the can over. Habanero to the Reaper. Yeah. So all right. How that Reaper? That's fucking you up right now, huh?
It's hot. It's real hot, honestly.
All right, for the second account, do it again. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I'll throw this whole thing in right now.
No, you're out of your mind. No. We're not going to do that. If it wasn't a health concern, I would fuck with you, but it seems like it's become a health concern, and I can't condone you doing that. But I will tell you this. Trade, what's your name?
Shane,
you have already won the Apex account, my friend. You have already won the Apex account. But I'll tell you right now, because you've just been such a good guy, if you get to funded process, I will pay for your activation fee as well. If you get funded on it, Shane, I will pay your activation fee for you. So you'll have a true free account that you can fucking get to that funded process. You seem like a good guy. You just recently went through a lot. You're literally going through a lot right now. You look like you're dying. I don't know if ripping the Bolski is going to help or not right now, but whatever you got to do. yeah, you're lying ass. You and Michael, fucking liars.
I almost spit the milk.
You and Michael, two damn liars.
I have an idea, Max. Do you know the Do you know the one chip challenge?
I did it.
You already did it?
I did it.
What do we think about having him come back eventually, do the one chip challenge, and if he does it, that's 5 accounts. What do you think about that, Max?
If he does the one chip, if he does the one chip live, we'll give him 5 Apex accounts.
Take profits.
Oh, he wants to take profits. Yo, the disrespect.
That chip. Oh my! You don't even understand what that chip did to me.
Well, we don't really need a story.
I never. My stomach was hurting so bad later. Oh my god! I never felt like I might like I knew I wasn't going to the hospital, but I almost felt like I might need to do something. You know what I mean?
Right. No, that's unbelievable. Shane, you're an unbelievable dude. Fucking absolutely killed it. You're the man. We'd love to have you back on. You seem like psycho, kind of. You're kind of like a psychopath. I think you would literally do anything. You seem like a guy who's a little unhinged. When you go to the toilet later, are you gonna feel that?
I hope not. I hope not. But you know, if it happens, it happens. You know what I mean?
Yeah. You you could be a celebrity, I think, my guy. Seriously, I think you got celebrity fucking quality.
You know, honestly,
You are
I want to do acting. I just haven't got to that step to try and go do it. You know what I mean?
right. I
think
could
I could
see
do it.
you. I think I could see you being an actor for sure. I see it.
My
I
God.
think you could, but they're not gonna let you act. They're not gonna let you act if you're unprofitable. So get your ass on the Apex, get it funded, any account size. You can choose any account size. I'll pay your activation fee if you show us you got it funded, and you'll have a free account on your way to your first payouts with the Apex account, brother.
I appreciate you, bro.
10 accounts given away. The new giveaway total after 10 of those, Mike, $47,396. Guys, it is noon. This is the longest show I think I've ever seen. Unbelievable. I will not DM anyone else the code. I will not DM anyone. Yep, thank you, Kyle. You will never receive a DM from me again. This is just the way we had to give away the Apex accounts. All 10 of them already received it. All you have to do is log into Apex and choose any account, any size, and they are yours, guys. Unbelievable day of trading, 4 for 5 with over 11,000 in profits. It's Friday on the Big Daddy Morning Show. Finish on a high note, guys. If you're green, log the fuck out of your brokers. Mike, one last thing I'm going to ask because they all want to know, when do we get our Big Daddy Morning Show 90% code, Mike? When do we get our
first thing I would like to say is, Shane, I don't think we could have picked a better person for that code to go to. So kind of happy about that.
Right.
Shane, you did great. And then,
agreed.
That as far as the 90% off, that is kind of out of my realm. So that'll have to be something I can, ask for, of course, but I can't make any promises.
Right. Big shout out to Apex. Big shout out to Big Daddy Mike here. He is a fucking rock star. He came, he took the punches, and he threw it right back. And we had a blast today. I think Big Daddy Mike is home. I think he belongs on the Big Daddy Morning Show. We're kind of his people here. Extremely obese, cholesterol over 270, under 5'10". I mean, this guy is unbelievable. And he came up and joined me as a co-host. So absolutely love and appreciate Big Daddy Mike. And I feel like he will come back with a code for the people. He probably will. He's got to send it up. He was honest about that from the start. He's got to send that up top and it has to come back down. So Big Daddy Mike, you know what? I think we do give what do you guys think about Big Daddy Mike being a new fan favorite? Does Big Daddy Mike our next golden fan favorite winner? Mike's the man. I think we got a new fan favorite over here at fucking MOT. Big Daddy Mike, let's see the profile. Let's get it up there. We got a new fan favorite up here, a fan favorite and a partner rep. Welcome to fucking Max Options Trading, Big Daddy Mike. Big Daddy Mike, congratulations. And thank you, brother, for everything. Thank you for the 10 accounts, the humor, the fun. You are the man.
Hey, thanks for bringing me up, and in chat, thank you for your hospitality, and I appreciate it. And this was definitely fun.
Absolutely. I told you it was wild, and it only gets more wild, baby.
I'm gonna have to go eat some. I think I burned about 10 pounds doing all this stuff today.
Guy is a legend. Guys, fucking W's in the chat for Big Daddy Mike. I'm sending him on his way. W's in the chat for Big Daddy Mike. The guy is a legend. Absolutely awesome. And that is it. What a fucking fun show. We gave away 10 accounts. Yo, that was awesome. I think the funniest thing was when Shane said for the one chip challenge, he straight up went, take profits. Got right, he's negotiating right in front of the fucking Apex. In front of the Apex rep, my boy just says with a straight face, nah, not Apex. Take profits for the one chip. That's wild work. But you know I can make that happen. Guys, it is Friday, my guys. It is Friday, and there's only one thing left to say. Nothing we do here is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We are entertainers here filming the Big Daddy Morning Show. Check out the free Discord, the trading bots. We got trading bots, Gamma, Trump tweets, and more. We got futures trading watch lists. We got newsletters, economic earnings. If you want to trade like Max, we got free indicators, courses, coaching sessions, and more. We also got the official release of the paid indicators, the MOT quantum shift and the MOT orb indicator for your 3-bar signals, baby. Don't forget to check out those as well. The newest drop on the MOT indicators. And don't forget about our badass community here. We have the Futures One community. We love you guys. We have our Mastermind community. We love you guys. Everyone that buys the course and gets into those secret private communities. We have the free alerts from our boys, Sober Pay to Play, Shark, Jake, Sean Trades, all day, all night. They're doing this for free, guys. Everyone's doing everything here at MOT for free. And also, don't remember, you're ready to tip your staff. You guys, you could tip the staff. They do everything for free. And if you want, you could tip them, buy them a cup of coffee, buy them and their wife some dinner. Everyone that thing they do here is for free. They ban over 40 scammers a day now, as we have over 30,000 members for you guys. Everything we do here is so much fun. I appreciate you all. We're nothing without you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our social medias. We have a huge social media umbrella here at the Big Daddy Morning Show at Max Options Trading. Many, many more things to come. Thank you to all of our guests that came up. Thank you to Shane's crazy ass. Thanks again to Big Daddy Mike's and Apex. We really appreciate Apex, one of our trusted partners and one of the biggest, the baddest, the largest props in the game. We love you all. And there's no llama. I'll see you guys on Monday, baby. Great motherfucking week, baby.